A California man is shot and killed following a 3-hour-long police standoff after he's caught on security camera walking around with an axe, drinking vodka, and seemingly snorting cocaine.
Come back to me. Don't reach for the gun. If you reach for the gun, I'm going to shoot you.
Hey, do we deliver lethal?
Shots fired. Shots fired.
Let's go in there. We gotta move some aid here.
Yeah. Go.
The incident unfolded on May 19th in the Glen Park neighborhood of San Francisco. At about 2:20 that afternoon, a man called 911 reporting his neighbor broke into his apartment with a weapon. San Francisco police released a recording of the 911 call, but distorted the caller's voice to keep his identity private.
Are you outside right now?
I'm outside right now. He's inside.
Okay.
He's inside. Yes.
Okay. I need you to stay on the line for me, okay?
I'm here outside. I'm in the car right now. He's chasing me. I have to go.
So he broke into your house, is that correct?
He's inside right now. Yes, he's inside. He probably doesn't know that I saw it. I thought he was hiding.
Okay, so sir, I need you to stay calm. I have a call on the board. I need you to give me a description. You saw the gun also, is that correct?
I don't know. He has the red t-shirt. He lives in the building. He lives here.
So does he live in the building or he broke?
Yeah, he lives in the building, but he broke in my house, my apartment. It's an apartment building.
The caller then gives dispatch a description of the suspect.
Okay, copy. So let me get a description. So did you see the gun?
She has a gun.
Did you see it?
Yes.
Okay, what color was the gun? Do you know what type of gun?
I don't know, like brown.
Okay. What race is this person who broke in? White, black,
Spanish.
Russian, or... Okay. Male or female?
Male.
Okay, how old does he appear to be?
He's probably around 40.
40 years old? How tall is he?
Around 5'3".
5'3", heavy size, medium size, or thin build?
He's heavy.
What color shirt was he wearing? Did you see
Red.
shirt?
Red. I saw the red.
Copy.
Black pants.
Black pants. Besides the gun,
Yes.
did you see any weapons on him?
Yeah, I saw the weapon. He has a weapon.
Okay, I'm asking, beside the gun, did you see any other weapons?
No.
Okay.
He also tells dispatch he knows the suspect and gives a name. Officials later confirmed the caller gave an incorrect name after they identified the suspect as 40-year-old Sergio Barrios.
Do you know the name for this person?
Yes.
What is his name?
Milton. He has a record already.
Okay, what's his last name? Do you know his last name?
Probably Rivera.
Body camera video shows San Francisco officers arrive on the scene, speaking with the man who called 911.
Where is he at? That's what I'm saying. Aquí adentro? Which door?
That's the front. It was a store before.
Yeah.
But this is the back entrance. No.
So, hay una puerta abajo bajando las escaleras?
Under the stairs. It's green door.
Hey, over here.
It's a green door. He's not going to go outside, okay? He's going to have to come out here.
He can go out that way.
He lives in
He's
apartment.
downstairs.
He lives in apartment.
All right, for RP, subject.
Not in the corner.
Is gain entry to the back door on the rear of the building. So let's make it like side 3.
Over here real quick. Is the suspect wearing a red shirt and black pants?
¿Cómo está vestido él?
Red shirt. He was
Yeah, red shirt.
Security video shows Barrios in the outfit the 911 caller described. He's also caught on camera walking back and forth with an axe. After that, an officer makes contact with Barrios, who is now armed with a gun.
Hey, we got movement on 2-3. Hey!
The officer repeatedly calls for Barrios to drop the weapon he has. Body camera video captures audio of the weapon hitting the ground when Barrios drops it.
Drop the gun. Drop the gun. Hey, drop the gun. Drop the gun. Drop the gun. Come out. Turn around and come back to me. Turn around. Come back to me. Come back. Walk back to me. Walk back. Walk back. Let him know he dropped the gun.
But after dropping the weapon, Barrios does not walk toward officers as he's commanded to. Officers then warn him if he reaches for the weapon, he will be shot.
Come back to me and put your hands up.
Hands on top of your head. Manos abajo.
Come back. Drop the bottles and come back to me. Come back.
Come back.
Come back. And don't reach for the gun. Come back. Come back to me. Come back.
Hands up here.
Drop the bottles, turn around, and come back. Come back to me. Don't reach for the gun. If you reach for the gun, I'm going to shoot you.
Amigo.
Come back.
Amigo.
Come back here. The gun's within reach distance, right at his right foot. Come back to me.
Manos aquí.
Come back. Don't reach for the gun or I'll shoot you.
Manos aquí.
Come back. Come back. Come back here. The gun's at his right foot. The gun's at his right foot on the ground.
Instead of walking toward officers, Barrios is seen on security camera video appearing to snort cocaine. This continues for several minutes. Meanwhile, crisis hostage negotiators meet in a nearby police Bearcat vehicle. Officers can be heard discussing the current situation and how to get Barrios to cooperate.
Has he said anything?
No, the gun is by his feet, and he tried to reach for it once, and then he didn't.
So is he outside in the alleyway?
He's in the alleyway, right?
So they have eyes on him?
Yeah.
Okay, and you're basically just coaching him like, hey.
I'm just telling him to come out with hands up. We don't want to hurt. We just want to help him out. Don't touch the gun and just come out to the officers on the door so they can help you.
And do we know if they're responding at all? He's responding back to us at all?
He's under the influence. Okay. He's phone out.
A crisis negotiation officer speaks to Barrios in Spanish, saying people close to him are concerned for his safety. Their names have also been removed from the video to keep their identities private.
Just keep reiterating like, hey, we're here to help, you know, we just walk towards us so we can take care of this.
Con la mano arriba caminando donde nosotros, solo queremos ayudarte. Lo que tienes que hacer es caminar hasta los oficiales para que ellos puedan ayudarte. Lo que queremos ayudarte, no toques la pistola, solamente camina para donde estamos nosotros.
But in general, cares about you, wants you to be safe.
Está aquí afuera y uno está preocupado por ti, igual que tu está acá también para que están preocupados por ti y lo que quieren es que esto termine todo tranquilo. So, deja la pistola en el piso, alza la mano y camina hasta los oficiales.
Later, a message recorded by one of Barrios' family members is played aloud.
Go ahead when you guys are ready.
Salí por favor, ¿verdad? No va a pasar nada, salí, quiero hablar contigo, esté bien. He just reached down and grabbed his tie.
Barrios is later seen removing a rosary from around his neck.
Take it off the crucifix.
Take it off the crucifix.
Take it off the crucifix. Take it off the crucifix. Take it off his rosary.
After this, things move quickly. Body camera video shows Officer Gregory Buhager on the roof of a nearby building armed with a gun. When Barrios seemingly reaches for the gun laying on the ground near him, Buhager opens fire.
Pero mírame, te doy mi palabra de que te llevo acá. Solamente, no, hey, párate.
No! No!
Shots fired.
Shots fired.
Shots fired.
Yes.
Shots fired. Shots fired.
Shots fired.
Yeah, go.
Go in. Hey, we're moving down.
Body camera video from another officer who deployed a less lethal weapon in Barrios' direction shows the moments following the shooting from another angle.
Pero mírame, te doy mi palabra de que te llevo acá. Solamente, no, hey, párate. No. Hey, do we deliver lethal?
Shots fired. Shots fired.
Let's go in there. We gotta move some aid here. Shots
Yeah, go.
Go in.
The medics in there? Medics. Secure the 221.
Get a medic up here. Secure the 221. Stick to the plan.
I got it covered.
The same moment is caught on 2 more body camera recordings.
Go! Shots fired.
Sal para acá, yo te llevo a donde ellos. Ven para acá, yo te llevo allá donde ellos. Pero mírame, te doy mi palabra de que te llevo acá. Solamente, no, hey, párate. No. Hey, you mean to deliver lethal?
Shots fired.
Let's go in there.
Officials say first responders began performing life-saving measures on Barrios about 30 seconds after the shooting. He later died at the hospital. From here, the San Francisco County District Attorney's Office will determine whether Officer Buhadber is charged criminally. Officials say he's a 22-year veteran of the San Francisco Police Department.
It's going to be in your best interest to go home.
Well, Steve, my best interest is to help people that live here in Roy, and you're one of those people.
An hours-long standoff ends in a deadly shooting after a Utah man tells police to, quote, bring a coroner to the scene.
You're going to need a coroner.
I'm going to need a coroner?
Yep.
What coroner?
You're going to need to bring one to this side.
A coroner? I thought you said coroner. No, let's, Steve, I know your dad's talked about it. We can work through anything, man. I'm going through difficult times right now. You know what I mean? Okay, don't do anything.
On July 7th, police in Roy, Utah were called to an apartment complex for reports of a man with multiple weapons.
Hello.
Hello, this is Weber 911. Was I just speaking to you? I think we were disconnected.
I think we were. I need
Okay, what's going on at that address? I have the address here.
He is threatening to commit suicide. He has guns in the house. His mother's in the house.
And has he given you a method? Has he said he's going to use the guns, or what exactly did they say?
Did he say he was going to use the guns?
Yes, he did.
Yes.
He went to go.
Yes,
Okay,
he
what's
said he
this
was going to use...
person's name?
His name is Stephen Kirkman.
Callers told 911 dispatch the suspect, 39-year-old Stephen Kirkman, was making suicidal statements.
I need you guys to get there. His mom's in the house.
Okay, we have officers on the way now, okay? What exactly did he say to you?
Take care of his sister.
I'm so sorry. Can you say that again? I can't understand you.
Sorry. He said to take care of his sister because he was killing himself.
Body camera video shows Roy police officers approach the front door, where Kirkman's mother is standing in the doorway.
It is going to be tricky, Todd, on this landing.
Door's open.
Go taser. Taser. Steve.
Come out here, ma'am.
Steve. Steve, let me see your hands.
Right here. You just shoot him, don't.
Where's the gun?
In his hand.
Ma'am, come out here.
Is it the rifle?
Yes, and a handgun, Steve.
Steve, let me see your hands.
He's got the gun in his hand.
Steve!
Ma'am, come out here.
Come out, ma'am!
No.
Okay. Back out. Ma'am! Come out! Ma'am! You're making this worse.
At first, Kirkman's mother refuses to leave the area, but officers eventually get her away from the apartment.
We were 318. If you got somebody else, he's got the 88 to him and she's refusing to come out.
Don't shoot. He needs help.
I know, but you got her right here.
He needs help.
Yeah. Ma'am, I need you. We want to help him, but you got to come out. Okay. Out. Back up. Back down. Side.
Come on. Let's go.
It's just a suicide.
Come on.
Don't shoot.
Come on.
Don't
Go downstairs. Go downstairs, man.
He's been drinking.
Go downstairs.
He's gonna shoot him.
There's 315. We got mom out, and we were backing out.
Is there anyone else on? Okay. Come on. Keep going. Let's keep going. Come on. Let's get out of these stairwells, okay?
What proceeds next is a standoff that lasts for hours as officers work to calm Kirkman and bring him help.
Gun down.
It looks like it's a rifle.
Steven.
Put the gun down.
Nobody wants to hurt you.
It's a rifle.
Steven.
Put the gun down.
Drop the gun and walk out to me, buddy. Walk out. Steven. Nobody wants to hurt you. I can give you help. You're not in trouble.
It looks like it's a. It looks like it's a shotgun.
What? I can't go over there with the gun, buddy. You gotta put it down. I'll talk to you. I'll take you to the hospital myself, buddy. You gotta put the gun down, my man. Drop it. Steven.
Listen, man. Hey, you know me. Hey, we talk all the time, bro.
Steven.
No, if you put the gun down. Put the gun down. I'm not going to come up there with the gun in hand.
A Ring doorbell camera recording shows Kirkman's actions mid-standoff as he comes outside and sets down 2 weapons. Next, officers speak to Kirkman over the phone, reassuring him mental health experts are on the scene.
You put it on speakerphone for just a second. Steve? Hey, Steve, I'm Officer here. I got your dad here. We got some help down here for you. We got the mobile crisis. We got some therapists out here ready to talk to you. So we got some help down here. We're just waiting on you. We got your dad right here who wants to talk to you as well. You've committed no crimes, all right? You're experiencing an outcry for help, which we need to give to you, man.
Okay, there's one of 2 things that are about to happen.
Okay.
Okay?
Yep. And what are those things, Steve?
I don't want to harm any of you because I like all of you.
Appreciate it, Steve. We like you as well.
But if anyone comes through that door in this moment,
Steve, I understand this. We're not coming to the door. All right.
then we even go home.
Kirkman then tells officers it's in their best interest to leave the area and threatens shooting through the door.
It's going to be in your best interest to go home.
Well, Steve, my best interest is to help people that live here in Roy, and you're one of those people.
Okay. One of 2 things is about to happen.
And we're not coming to the door, Steve.
I'm going to fire a round out that door, or you're going to leave.
As officers work to evacuate the apartments underneath Kirkman's, he makes concerning statements.
Hey, Steve, so what we got to do is we just got to get those people that are right below you out, and we are leaving, okay? That's what you want, right? That's what we can do. Okay? We're not coming up to your story. We're not coming up to the 3rd level. We just got to get the people out of the 2nd level is all. All right?
I have eyes on you.
What's that?
I have eyes on you.
That's all right. What do you want to do? You want to come out of the while we go get the 2nd tiers?
You can leave them there. They're not going to be harmed.
I know, Steve, but we got to also look out just to make sure. I believe that. I believe that you won't harm them, but they are also sitting there just really scared. So part of our job is also to make sure that they're safe. So we'll get them out if that's good, and we'll let you stay here. And I mean, if you don't want to accept the help that we're trying to give you, we will leave. Okay? But we got to get those people out of the second level first.
18 offices open.
You want them?
Come through that door.
Steve, we're not even coming to the third level.
Okay, he's saying he can see everybody. Just watch your cover.
Okay? We're not coming to the third level.
Come through the door.
Well, we're not going to do that.
That's a bad idea.
That's the bad idea, yeah.
I'm going to walk outside and grab my shotgun.
Okay, well, don't grab the shotgun, though, Steve. Just leave the shotgun there. We're not coming to the third level.
That ain't going to happen. I'm going to grab it and come back inside.
Okay, well, we're not coming to your level, Steve, so I don't know what you need the shotgun for.
To bring it back inside in my possession.
Kirkman then insists he needs to grab his weapon.
Good. Don't touch it, Steven. Leave it there. Steven.
I'm not going to harm any of you.
Drop the pistol. Steven, drop the pistol, my man.
I'm not going to harm any of you.
Drop the pistol. Come down.
It's then that Kirkman makes the chilling comment about a coroner and mentions a body count.
You're going to need a coroner.
I'm going to need a coroner?
Yep.
What coroner?
You're going to need to bring one to this side.
A coroner? I thought you said coroner. No, let's, Steve, I know your dad's talked about it. We can work through anything, man. I'm going through difficult times right now. You know what I mean?
Hello.
Okay, don't do anything.
How many bodies do you want buried today?
0. That's 0. I want 0 bodies.
And you better tell everyone to leave. Okay.
Tell me what.
The next thing inside of your mouth better be, have a nice night. Otherwise, leave. Otherwise, I'm going to step out on the balcony.
Was he not accepting going number 2?
And we're going to handle it. Your choice.
In the end, Kirkman comes out of the apartment armed with a rifle, points it at first responders, and racks the gun. That's when 2 officers open fire.
He's raising the shotgun.
Steve, we need you to put the gun down. We need you to come to the front door with nothing in your hands, please.
What's he doing?
Can't see him. We need you to come to the front door with nothing in your hands.
So he's got us, huh? Yeah, so he's got to still be on the thing because he slid the...
Steve, we understand you're bleeding.
So
we want
he slid the screen door back closed. Yep. So...
Steve, we need to get you medical help. Come down to the base, or come down the stairs with no gun.
He's aiming it at. He's aiming it over here. He's pointing it like.
Okay.
He just racked it.
Yeah.
First responders performed life-saving measures on Kirkman, but he was pronounced dead at the scene. The shooting is still under investigation.
Come talk to me over here. Okay. Right here? You want to talk to me right here? What
are you saying?
Listen to me, Antonio. Okay. I got you. I'll talk to you. They can't go far, though. Antonio, listen. Okay.
I was going to say back up and let him get his food, so he's
yeah.
probably hanging.
You want to talk to me right here or you want to talk to me over here? Okay. Well, talk to me. What's going on? I can't barely hear you, though. You want to crack it a little bit? You want to go to the window? Hey, Antonio, you're not in trouble. Okay, well, okay. God dang.
I'm not just trying to get this food you ordered, so.
Pete, just. I'll talk to you. Crack out so I can hear you. You know what I mean? They're over there. It's only me. I'm right here. You're not in trouble, man. You know you remember me, right? Yeah, you remember me, right? I wrote. Yes. Okay, I wrote the report for you. Remember that, right? The whole time I was cool with you, right? Okay, so let's just talk. Let's. Okay. You want to talk to me on the phone? Or on my phone? On the phone? Okay. Do you have a screen on the front door? I mean, just so I can talk to you, so I can hear you. Just. You want to go front door? Yeah. We're going to transition to the front door. It's only me. I can't hear you. You too, brother. You want to just crack it a little? It's only me. I mean. Right. So let's do this. Can we at least give her back her ID and stuff real quick? Can we do that? Oh, you don't have it? Oh, there's nothing in there? So there's no purse or nothing up? Okay. Her phone? Okay. I know. Well, that's why when I saw the call, they didn't call me because they don't. Well, that's what I'm saying. I remember I saw the call and I was like, hey, maybe he'll talk to me because we had a good interaction. You know what I mean? Well, listen, no matter. Right. So no matter what happens, you're gonna just deal with me. That's it. It's very easy. You know, we're not here to fight with you. We don't want to. You know, what's that? It's always been like that. It's always been like that with me and you. I took that. Okay. So let me ask you this: are you willing to talk to me besides this? It's no, I understand. I know you're not doing it to me. I just can't hear you. So let me do this. Let me see because she talked about an ID and a purse. Let me see. Yeah. Let me just see what else she's talked about, and I'll ask you if it's in there. Is that cool? I believe you. Right, no, I understand. Let me just see what she says. Can you just give me 1 second? All right, don't go, just hang out. Okay, Pete, so, yeah.
No, I was going to tell him to get his food.
Yeah, so the ultimate goal is what? Pausing video to speak to an officer.
Oh, all right, going to view another officer.
Antonio, talk to me, dude. Okay, so let me tell you. We're running out of options for her to get her stuff. I don't know where her stuff is. She says it's in there. I don't know. But let me just tell you this. I don't want this to happen, okay? So I'm talking to you. Talking to you man to man, okay? Man to man. No, I will, but look, just hear me out first. Listen to me. Between me and you, if you don't let her in to get her things, I'm telling you, because it's out of my hands. But I'm just warning you because I'm telling you man to man, okay? If you don't let her in, I'm telling you, if she wanted to have that dude do the lock thing, she can. But listen, if she does that, she's technically still a resident here until the eviction process is, because there's still 7 days left on the eviction. But listen to me, and listen, you're not in trouble. You're not getting arrested. I know, but I want you to hear it from me. You're not in trouble. You're not gonna get arrested. Okay? So listen. Me and you will hang out. Speak louder. Yeah.
I hate to do this, but we got 5 minutes because he just got another call, so we're either going to fill this 5 minutes or...
Copy that. I'm telling him right now. No, I believe you, but listen. No, Antonio, I know. Listen. I know that. It's not me. Yeah, I'm not doing. No, I understand your position, and this is why I'm here. I can't talk to you like this, man. And listen, this is why I'm here, because they're giving me 5 minutes. They're giving me 5 minutes. No, you're not. You're still not. No, you're still not in trouble. You can still talk to me. Me and you. Listen, since this residence, I know it's under a corporation. I understand that. I get it. I'm not disputing that. Even if it is, she still has lived here. This is just from I know, but this is my understanding. I don't know. I only got here 5 minutes ago. I'm just telling you. Since she has lived here, if she want to break a window, she can. I'm just telling you, and there's no repercussions. I know what I know you're not happy with that. I'm just telling you. Huh? I know what you're saying, but I'm not here to dispute either way. Oh, I know you're not. I know you're not. Oh, the solution is just to let her get her stuff, and that's it. Oh, and then I would be with you. I'll hang out with you while she gets it. I'll go with her. No, listen. You want me to go with her? I can go with her. Oh, she'll leave. She will. Trust me. So if you want, I will walk with her so she don't take nothing, and then we'll get it and she'll leave. And that's it. Yeah, let's do that. Hey. Yeah, we can do it. Yep. Make me look good. Make me look good. That's it. But I'll go with her so she don't take nothing. But let me go with her though. Yep. You want me to get her? Okay. Hey, what's her name? Bring her with you. I'll bring her with you too. She's walking up. Yeah. I'll walk in with her, and you take this. Yeah.
She's walking down.
Okay. Yeah. She's walking in. What is this? What is this? What is it?
That being built.
For where? I may get some of that later. No. Hey, listen. You and me are good. I don't care about the weed. I don't care about none of that stuff. Huh? You know what I mean? When she comes here, I'm gonna go with her. But listen, you gotta leave the door open. You know what I mean? Okay. Exactly. Yes. Yes. And I'm gonna walk with her when I'm gonna leave with her. You know what I mean?
Standing right here.
Yep.
Why you gotta stand on me and take a stance? I don't need no stance.
No.
Take a stance on me for
Antonio.
5 hours, man. That's how some
I know. Listen, it's for me. It's for me because I'm walking in the house by myself. It's for me. No. Don't do anything. Just hang out. It's only gonna be me going in. It's only me going in. Exactly. It's only me and her going in.
I'm standing right here, Antonio.
What if she say she don't want to leave?
Listen to me. She's gonna leave. I got it. Trust me. I got it. Let's get her stuff, and that's it. No. He's gotta be close. He has to be. He has to be close. He's not gonna come in. He's gonna be just right up in here.
I'm not gonna come in your house.
It's only me, Antonio. Just so we could be done with this, man. He is super paranoid, man. Like super. I mean. He's just afraid she's not gonna leave. I mean, that's the only thing.
Mr. Brown. Come here. Listen, she's gonna leave. I'm gonna stand by the door. I will not come in your house.
Only me.
Okay? Only off.
It's only me.
That's it. She will leave. She'll get her stuff and leave, and we're gonna leave. Okay? I'm just gonna stand on the sidewalk for his protection. That's it. Okay? Listen. Have I lied to you? Did I not give you your food in good faith? I can't hear you.
Let me see. Hold on, Pete. Antonio, come here.
Do that, we're gonna drill the damn line.
I'm not letting no one in. If she want to pick the lot, tell her to pick the lot, man. I'm not letting her in. No, it ain't letting her in. I told you no. Do what you gonna do.
Spicy's angry. I don't know if it smells good though. Making me hungry. You did that in a good faith effort. When we open the door,
I'm gonna walk away. We don't want to fight with you. You know that. Happen. He's gonna start drilling. He's gonna come to the door. It's gonna be a confrontation, and it's gonna be.
Hopefully,
we got to do something about it.
Right.
You know,
And it's a little steel porch. You saw that. It's not like a whole bunch of people.
Is that what we got to do? Is that what we got to do?
That's the one he wants to drill.
Okay.
So safety-wise, right? Well, yeah. I mean, for our advantage, we can see him before he's going to see us. Peeking through the window since it's dark out here.
So, P, if you want, I mean, I'll go first or whatever, and I'll be like, hey, man, I'll try to talk to him first, and then I'll go hands-on if I have to.
She has to invite us in. That's it.
That's fine.
She says yes, we can still go in.
Okay.
Based on the supervisors on scene. So you got to throw that up.
Mm-hmm. But I'm just saying, as far as if and when, you know what I mean? Like, you and I will just go hands-on. You know what I mean? And then if you have to go maybe less lethal, I mean, go do that.
That's
Hopefully
it.
he doesn't go get the 10-0.
That's what I'm saying. While the thing is jailing. And then what's going to happen if he says, hey, they're trying to break in my house or something? You know what I mean? I don't know.
Well, that's what he's going to try to say, but that's not going to fly legally.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? Because we're here, cameras are rolling.
That may anger him a little bit, you know what I mean? Like him seeing you and stuff like that, probably not a good idea.
When an Italian tourist ran up to an officer in New York City, he told him an absolutely crazy tale. He claimed that he had been held captive in a nearby brownstone for weeks and tortured for his crypto password. What police uncovered sounds like it's straight out of a horror movie, and now we're digging into what we know so far about this alleged extortion plot that played out in a Soho townhouse, and why police officers are now under investigation too for their apparent connections to the crypto bros. Welcome to Sidebar, presented by Law and Crime. I'm Jesse Weber. All right, you got to get this. You have two cryptocurrency entrepreneurs, one from Kentucky, the other one lives in Florida. They have been charged in New York with kidnapping and unlawful imprisonment. This is not a headline that you see often. And they, along with a woman, they were arrested after a man ran up to a police officer on the street and told him he just escaped from a luxury townhouse on Prince Street and needed help. Yeah. Surveillance video obtained by NBC4 in New York shows this barefoot man approaching the traffic cop to let him know that he had been the victim of absolutely unbelievable crimes, or alleged crimes, I should say. So let's talk about this. Talk about what the NYPD says happened and what could be next in this legal saga. I want to bring in Dave Sarney, an adjunct professor of criminal justice who also happens to be a retired NYPD detective. Dave, thanks so much for jumping on here. Obviously a lot to get into, but I got to tell you, and we'll talk about this. Imagine being that officer and this gentleman comes up to tell you what's going on. Can you even imagine that?
Yeah, this traffic agent is kind of like probably shocked as anything you do, and then they just take him back to the precinct, makes the call, they get him back to the precinct, they debrief him, find out what's going on, go back to the residence, secure the location, get into door, apprehend the person doing it, get the search warrant. There's a lot of there's a lot of work involved in this, but to sometimes have somebody come up to you and give you this fantastic story, the average citizen wouldn't believe it, but it's beneficial and it's smart that the cop actually looked and said, this is too crazy. Let me get some help on this.
Okay, before we move into the actual specifics of the story, for anybody who's watching this and trying to understand a little bit about New York geography, generally speaking, there's crime in New York, obviously, but something like this, it's a metropolitan city. You don't necessarily see people committing these kinds of crimes in these kinds of environments, in these kinds of buildings, right?
No, you don't have something like this. And that's the one thing. You do have street crime. Soho is a high-end retail location, also a high-end residential location. You do see crime there, but to this type of crime, it's rare that you get this. I mean, I know that Major Case got involved in this, the NYPD. So it's something that we don't see often. Usually we deal with street crime, street robberies, street assaults, things like that. But
people selling fake Louis Vuitton bags on the street, things like that.
Oh, absolutely. The fake things out there, scams, ticket scams, things like that. But this type of thing, it's beyond that we'd expect. And this plan they had was, as it unraveled, you're shocked.
So let's talk about it. So we go to Friday, May 23rd, around 9:30 in the morning. A 28-year-old man approached a traffic agent and said that he'd been held against his will and routinely assaulted while in captivity. That man was later identified in the media as an Italian national named Michael Valentino Tiafrastro Carturin, though police have not officially released his name. I want to be clear about that. But Michael reportedly said that he'd been held at 38 Prince Street for nearly 3 weeks, but was finally able to escape when his captors were distracted. Now, fortunately, police say he didn't have to go far before he spotted this patrolman. So Michael was reportedly covered in cuts, bruises, had ligature marks on his wrists from apparently being tied up. Michael was taken to a hospital to be checked out. The NYPD quickly jumped into action. You had officers who swarmed the 8-bedroom townhouse, which the New York Times reports rents for around $75,000 a month. Oh my gosh. Okay, so Dave, what goes into an operation like this?
Well, first, when it goes up to the squad and some of the detectives getting this, they're going to hear about this. And then you hear this type of thing, you realize this is serious. And also you have evidence such as the injuries he received He's got a location where he's at. So now you're looking at this going, okay, this is big. What do? We start making notifications. We'll start getting other people involved. We'll then we'll probably have somebody from Legal Bureau talk to them, get this together, what we should do. And that is pretty much that takeover of the block and then that location is important because you got to seal it because it's going to be a crime scene. Once they're able to get to that location, apprehend the individual because he's been identified by the victim, he's known to the victim, which is beneficial. He's apprehended, and then you're going to conduct the search warrants and do all the work you need to do to further this investigation, to further this case of prosecution. Like I said, this is, the end result of this. You hold this person for 3 weeks. You know who he is. He knows who you are. The end game had to be that they were going to kill him eventually. That seems to be the only way because he can identify them. So I don't know why they thought this would work. But, this type of Bitcoin robbery, in a sense, they call them wench games, I believe. It's beyond the level of what I think they understood they were doing. I think they actually went over their heads. Both of these people allegedly went over their heads based on what they were doing. These aren't hardened criminals. These are guys who are crypto guys. And they devised a plan, and that plan probably grew legs that they couldn't control. I mean, that's really what this is. But the benefit is he's safe. The case is ongoing, and unfortunately, you're seeing this investigation go outward to other venues.
Yeah,
and dealing with security.
So first, before we get into all that, when you have a rapidly developing emergency situation like this, you talked about how authorities would need a search warrant to further look into this and maybe obtain devices and other kinds of materials or evidence. But if they have a guy who comes out, says, I've just been held against my will for 3 weeks, can the police immediately rush in? Do they have the opportunity to do that, or do they need some sort of warrant beforehand?
Well, they're going to have to get some verification. They're going to do workup on the building, workup on the people that they know, get that all in place first. Get precinct or RMP, a marked vehicle to that location to secure it, to at least do an observation prior to them going there. Once you get all that started, you're getting the information from the victim, so that can further the case and further what you can do is what steps you're going to go with that. Is it going to be, are we going to just boom the door? Without a search warrant, is it an exigent circumstance, an emergency? We know that the victim is with us. There's not an emergency involved, so we need to get the people involved, apprehend them, and then once we get the apprehension, go further and get the search warrants and get all the paperwork and all the documentation we need to further this case when it goes to prosecution.
So let's talk about who was arrested. So police found 37-year-old John Waltz at the property. They arrested him, and he's apparently known to some as the Crypto King of Kentucky, has a reported net worth of around $100 million. That's according to authorities. He was taken into custody while barefoot, wearing a white bathrobe. According to the NYPD, he was transported to the 5th Precinct for questioning, and he was arraigned over the weekend on 2 counts of second-degree assault, 1 count of first-degree kidnapping, unlawful imprisonment, and criminal possession of a firearm. Real quick before we move on to the other players, 5th Precinct, anything we should know there?
It's one of the oldest precincts in New York City. It's in Chinatown on Elizabeth Street. It is where the incident took place, and that's why they transported him to the 5th Precinct.
Gotcha. Okay, so then she's not the only one. Then you have a woman, a 24-year-old woman named Beatrice Falchi, who was arrested on May 23rd on suspicion of kidnapping and unlawful imprisonment. But then the Manhattan District Attorney's Office declined to prosecute further. So a reporter for the New York Post spoke with her after her release. She refused to comment, saying only that she wasn't arrested, that any updates would have to come from her lawyer. And the Daily Mail reports that Falchi was this assistant to Waltz and other so-called crypto bros that crashed at this expensive rental home, but that hasn't been 100% confirmed. Dave, is that strange to you?
Maybe not. I don't know what her relationship, how much she was involved in it, and that's why the district attorney's office declined to prosecute at this time. They still have an opportunity to, while this investigation is ongoing, if there's more information to implicate her in this, they could arrest her. So they declined at this time. So they're going to probably wait pending any further information from the detective squad.
Do you think they interviewed her? I mean, we don't know because she could have retained a lawyer immediately and decided not to speak with authorities. But do you think there's a possibility she already relayed everything she knew to authorities or relayed certain information to authorities?
Yeah, it's a possibility. A lot of times with these people, when we have subjects or suspects involved, will talk to them prior, but once they feel they're getting arrested, once the arrest takes place, they're going to lawyer up in a sense. And this might have been what happened here.
Okay, well, we have another person too. So we have another of these alleged crypto bros. We have 33-year-old William Duplessis, turned himself into police on May 27th, was arraigned on similar charges later that day. New York Times reports that his attorney spent days negotiating his actual surrender because Duplessis, who has family in Florida, according to prosecutors, co-founded this investment firm with his father, another relative, in 2019 out in Switzerland. This is per reporting from the Times. And police believe the men, they were all connected through various businesses and various financial dealings. But Dave, real quick, when you listen to that, isn't it interesting? He turned himself in.
Well, the funny thing is, he was not at the location at the time of the arrest of his partner. And apparently he was out of town in the Hamptons, from my understanding. And it's unusual that if you're involved in the kidnapping and assault of an individual, one of them leaves a location to go party and leaves the second piece or the second perpetrator only there by himself, which probably loaned to the victim to get the hell out of there, because that's the scary part. Now, at least it's a one-on-one thing. I got out, and it's beneficial to him. Negotiation, because we don't know where he is, and a lot of times that happens. What I guarantee, when the information started coming out in the media, he saw his partner getting arrested. He retained an attorney. His attorney then spoke to the police and told them, we're going to have my client come in, and they'll set up a date and time in which to do that. And eventually they did.
So here's the question. What does Michael say happened to him over this 17-day period that he was held captive? Well, for that, we're now going to turn to police documentation that was reviewed by the New York Times, ABC7, and other outlets. So according to a police source for the Times, the victim, Michael, and one of the suspects, John Waltz, they had ties to this cryptocurrency hedge fund out in New York. But there was apparently some sort of falling out over money, and Michael went back to Italy. But Waltz apparently persuaded him to come back to New York, allegedly promising to give back some of Michael's crypto that had previously allegedly been extorted from him. And Assistant District Attorney Michael Mattson told ABC7 that Waltz also threatened to have Michael's family killed if he didn't return. But when Michael got to the townhouse on May 6th, he apparently told police that things quickly went sideways. His electronics, his passport, they were reportedly taken from him before he was bound by the wrists. Police say it was all part of this plot to convince him to give up his Bitcoin wallet password, which would have granted his captors access to what? Millions of dollars worth of cryptocurrency. The New York Times reports that Michael was allegedly bound with electrical cords and pistol whipped. He claims the men put his feet in water and then shocked him with a stun gun. He says they forced him to smoke crack cocaine through a pipe, urinated on him, taunted him with a chainsaw, and allegedly dangled him over the edge of a staircase in the multi-level building. By the way, Dave, going to your point, Michael reported to the officer that the day that he had escaped, that had been referred to by his captors as his death day, according to the Daily Mail. Dave, can they prove all this happened? Or do you think it's all going to go down to his testimony? I mean, what evidence do you think was collected from this scene to prove all this?
Well, they have evidence. They did find photographs. They found electrical cord. They found injuries on the victim. So there are things that, corroborate the story. This isn't a fantastic story that someone just made up. They have evidence. That's why the search warrant, they do a search warrant, because now you're going to go from top to bottom looking for evidence to corroborate what the victim is saying happened to him. And they have found it. They found a saw, they found drugs, they found the gun, they found the stun gun. They're finding all of these things. And they use electrical cord. They find all these items. They're going to be invoiced, vouchered for court presentation at a later date. But this corroborates and just is more evidence to the prosecution of these guys.
Yeah, I mean, there are photos. It seems that these alleged bad guys now feel compelled to document their crimes, right? Because according to the police report seen by the New York Times, once investigators got into the home, they found Polaroids of Michael being tortured. Investigators reportedly found several guns, ballistic helmets, body armor, night vision goggles, chicken wire, broken furniture, traces of blood. They were found in various parts of the home. This is according to CBS New York. And the outlet reports that prosecutors said during a hearing that there were T-shirts found that had a photo printed on them showing the victim with a crack pipe in his mouth. I mean, if this is all true, these are not expert criminals.
No, this was a plan. I believe what they were thinking of, this plan. they did not. I think it got escaped from. It just, in a sense, escaped from. It got away from them because they thought he would just give it up right away, and they're spending 2 or 3 weeks to do this, and they're not experts at this. They made major mistakes, but the reality is, unfortunately, the end game was going to kill him. I mean, they had to. There'd be no other way to deal with this. He could identify them, and the victim knew that, and that's why the opportunity to escape was there.
I hate to get macabre, I hate to get dark here, but again, you're in the middle of New York. How are you going to get rid of a body?
Well, we're seeing this, unfortunately, more and more. What you do is, we're seeing a lot of bodies and they're getting chopped up, and that's usually the best way in which you can remove a body. You know, as big as a person is, you could section them off and bag them up. That's how they own the house. They own that residence. So they could have done anything in there and no one would have known. And they were doing that. I mean, they threatened this guy. I mean, I don't know how they avoided any sound or any detection from this for 3 weeks. You know, this is what you could do. You can get rid of the body by chopping the body up, disposing of the pieces in different locations. We're seeing this, unfortunately, more and more when there are murders that take place. The perpetrators are now chopping the bodies up. So that probably would have happened to this guy.
Yeah, I mean, the chainsaw is pretty ominous, to say the least. So look, Michael, he reportedly told police that by Friday, 17 days after he'd initially been taken hostage, he finally told his captors that he would give them the crypto wallet password, and they just had to go get his computer so he could input it, right? Well, apparently, while they were distracted looking for that laptop, that's when Michael says he made his getaway. And as far as other potential witnesses go, CBS New York reports that sources told them 2 butlers at the home were being interviewed as well. Okay. One source told Page 6 that the brownstone was a party house. Another source described it as a frat house for crypto bros that had become a crash pad. An alleged relative of Walt's told the New York Post that he was a kind, caring, loving person who had been railroaded and could be easily manipulated. And Waltz, according to CBS New York, is being held in custody, with prosecutors pointing out that he was a flight risk who had access to a private jet, a helicopter, that he was forced to surrender his passport. By the way, during his arraignment on Tuesday, Duplessis' attorney asked for the judge to release him to stay with his father in Florida. The lawyer argued that his involvement in whatever went on inside that townhouse was hotly disputed, but the judge denied the request. By the way, both men could face sentences starting at 15 years, going all the way up to life in prison if they're convicted. Dave, just listening to this, it seems to me you have both of these defendants saying, I wasn't really a part of it, right? I was railroaded. This is not true. It's not surprising considering what the allegations are.
Yeah, I mean, they're gonna say what they're gonna say because given the facts of the victim, the evidence recovered on scene, all these other items, they're going to say that they didn't know what they were doing. But the reality is, this is kind of like the gang that couldn't shoot straight. They got themselves into something that they couldn't get themselves out of. And now they're going to play this is torturing started from just the tying up and shocking him. And it was 3 weeks of this. You can't say you're not part of it if this person is held hostage for 3 weeks. And that's all going to be coming out as the investigation follows up. You know, these guys probably would not have done this by themselves, but together they plotted this, allegedly, and they got this person to come to that residence and do what they did right now. And that's what the allegations are. And we have enough to arrest. Whether or not all the evidence will have to prosecute these people and get them convicted, that'll be up to a judge and jury at that point. But looking at what we have now, it's enough.
It's a miracle he was able to escape this, taking these allegations as true.
Yeah, and that's the thing. And that's why it's so interesting that one of them, Duplessis, left. He left his partner there, his running partner there, so he can go party in the Hamptons for Memorial Day weekend.
Well, I do wonder if that helps him. Like, he's like, if I really was a part of this, you think I would just leave? Or no, I don't know. It's interesting.
Well, that's the issue that comes into play. It's like, but you now have the victim implicating both of them. And he also resides in that place. You know, where was he for those 3 weeks if he just decided to go away that time? But either they felt very comfortable it was going to happen, or the decision was made. And then this will come up probably during the hearings and eventual trial, if there will be a trial. You know, who was plotting, who was going to kill this guy? Because that was going to happen. The end result was he was going to have to die. because everyone knew who he was, and the victims are aware of this, and the family was out of the country. He disappears, no body, no case.
They haven't been charged with attempted murder though yet.
Not yet, because nothing is there to show that. But if this would have gone, I mean, they show the injuries. That's why the assault 2 felonies involved. But if this would have gone, and like he says, on that Friday when there was going to be that death day, that's what he felt was going to happen. That was the end result would have had to be his death. I mean, that's the reason why. Everything would implicate them just based on his testimony alone. So if you have no body and no victim, they get away with it. And the thing about crypto, it's so interesting with crypto, it's the money grows. So whatever they get out of him from the moment that they get it from him, they're going to make more money out of that. And I just don't understand the rationale behind doing this. I mean, how greedy can you possibly be in life that you decide you want to kidnap this guy and torture him for more money when you already have enough money to rent and do all this other stuff you do?
And get this, because the story doesn't end. So Bloomberg has reported that just yesterday, 2 members of the NYPD, including a detective assigned to Mayor Eric Adams' security detail, have been connected to Waltz and Duplessis. So unidentified sources say that 2 officers worked off duty for these men. These sources told Bloomberg that one of the officers may have been the one to transport Michael from the airport to the brownstone. So a spokesperson for Mayor Adams, Kayla Mamelek-Altis, released a statement saying every city employee is expected to follow the law, including our officers, both on and off duty. We are disturbed by these allegations, and as soon as it came to our attention, the officers were placed on modified duty. The investigation is ongoing. What's modified duty, Dave?
Well, modified is they don't have their guns shielded. They cannot actually function as police officers. They're modified pending this investigation. Internal Affairs will be talking to them. This is a major turn in this case, given the fact that detectives are supposed to be above reproach. And if you're in the mayor's detail, you are at one of the highest levels of executive protection in New York City, particularly. And to do work off duty, you need documentation to authorize that. I don't know the location of the other detective where he works, but this is it's a sad state of affairs. If you're hired by a person, you don't vet them out. If you don't have the work authorization for this, and that's the reason why. I mean, we have to get, detectives, if they want to work off duty, have to get work authorization. If they don't, then they can't work it. So was he doing this moonlighting on the side without authorization, without permission? That puts him in an administrative position with the NYPD. The criminal position is where you really start having to look at this and like, what did you do and what did you see when you got to the location?
Do you feel like there has to be something there for that statement from the mayor's office and for them to get modified duty? I'm not, innocent till proven guilty, right? We don't know exactly what's going on with them, but at the same time, you also have to say, this seemed to be, in ways, an elaborate operation. Maybe it's not surprising they would have the aid of members of law enforcement here, but at the same time, to have that statement from the mayor's office, they seem to believe something. They might have been shown some of the evidence here against these individuals.
Well, I will say this. Anytime police are involved in an investigation like this, administratively, they'll get modified or suspended pending the investigation. And that's just the par for the course. What you're going to look at now is, one, who employed them? Was this a company? Did you get employed personally by these individuals? Pay rate? What was your role? What did you do? How long did you work with them? And not only that, what did you do? What did you see the day of this happening, on the beginning of the first 3 weeks of it? And how many times you go back to that residence? All these things are going to come out and play during the investigation by the Internal Affairs Bureau in the police department. And not only that, they may hold off pending the criminal investigation for this case before they go after them administratively.
Interesting. What a case, to say the least. Dave Sarney, thank you so much for taking the time. Always appreciate it.
He comes out with that AR.
Yeah. He's pointing the pistol right back at us again right now.
I don't know how long we're going to have to deal with that.
A deadly officer-involved shooting is caught on body camera video in Maryland after an 8-hour standoff.
Shots fired. Yep. He fell backwards into the house.
Hey, bring Watson around, grab the bunker. Get the bot over here.
It happened on June 4th in Eldersburg, Maryland, about 30 miles northwest of Baltimore. At about 9 o'clock that evening, Maryland State Police received a report of a suicidal man who contacted a crisis hotline. The man, later identified as 52-year-old Jack Cimino Jr., was threatening to commit suicide or instigate suicide by cop. At the time, officials say he was, quote, under the influence of an unknown subject.
All units be advised. Threatening suicide. Cop, if possible, we will shoot at the police.
34 direct.
15 direct. We also have EMS on standby.
Body camera video shows the response from the first troopers on the scene, who confirmed the suspect is threatening suicide by cop.
I got lights on the bottom one. I got no lights on the other 2 floors though.
How'd we get this address?
He's on line with crisis.
Still trying to get some information. He did say there may be a blue flag outside.
What's his name? Jack? I don't know if you heard.
I think that's what they said.
I don't know who this cat is. Hey, sir. Oh, he's going inside. I don't think that's him.
I went over there were like 200 people there.
Is that right over here?
I tried to clear it out, but there are so many people.
Yeah, it's not gonna work.
Yeah, well, I just told them, I was like, hey, like, don't be assholes.
Yeah.
But that's all I can do.
First intervention. Next week, give him a call.
What did he say his name was? Jack?
Brother, crisis intervention. He's threatening suicide by cop.
As officials watch for Cimino's location, they confirm he hung up on the crisis hotline after seeing state police arrive.
Got movement. Open door. You stay in the door.
It's that house right there.
That
yep.
one. Yep. You
Yep.
just slammed it. See if we can get a perimeter on that side. Hey guys.
Right side.
I need to come to the right side. It's that door right there with the porch.
Door on a porch?
Yeah, right there. You just shined your light at.
You can get the other side. Rod.
Uniform Liberty update. The individual hung up with the crisis center. He said he is able to see the police.
What do you want to do in this situation?
We're going to stand by for crisis intervention.
Gets here.
It's essentially right now. He's inside, so it's.
First responders can then be heard discussing a plan after Cimino announced he was armed with multiple weapons.
Contact with him yet?
No, he opened the door, slammed it, and that's about it.
Okay. We've got 2 shotguns around back. Have one of our CRT guys coming.
Cool.
And another rifle coming from Westminster, so we'll have a couple long guns here.
Perfect. I appreciate that, man.
But no one's made any contact with him?
Not yet.
Nah, he came out, slammed the door, and shut
Went back. Yeah, he went back in.
Okay.
So I figured we might as well wait until somebody from crisis intervention or somebody can talk to him.
Okay.
Rather, he threatened suicide by cop, so. And he said he's got 9 guns.
That's something from St. Nelson. We don't need anybody else down there.
My only thing is, I don't know if he's got access to that top floor, which then leaves us like in the bare here.
Yeah, I would say no, but it's hard. It's hard to say.
What's
if he's got access to one of these 4.
Light just turned off on by the deck.
All right.
All right, I'm gonna drop back.
Okay.
So I've got 2 guys coming.
Lights turned off in the back.
Right in here. One of them is one of our SWAT guys. So.
Awesome. Okay. Thank you, sir. Appreciate it.
As the standoff continues, officials can be heard discussing a less lethal option to slow down Cimino if he approaches with a weapon.
Still want to do that?
Yeah, I think so. Because if he comes out that other door over there, I'd rather have an extra couple guys over there to deal with it.
Who's that? I didn't make any radio.
You want me to take Bill?
No.
Yeah.
Okay.
I didn't call him yet either. No.
All right. You good?
Hey, do you have their number? Can you call the hanger?
There we go. As soon as you guys got that squared away, can one of you bump around with Roy, just because he's got the 40, so that way we have a lethal and less lethal option there. Which way are you going to go, Danny, to get there?
I think the same way they went in.
You're going to go down that way?
Yeah, we'll
right?
go down to 26. We'll come up and then.
All right.
Later, first responders can be heard on the phone with Cimino, working to convince him to exit the home and receive help.
You got through that though, didn't you? I mean, you worked your way through that situation. And I mean, look at where you're at now. You're doing
2-3.
a successful job. You draw blood as a phlebotomist. Okay. Okay, can I ask a question, Jack? How do you know that the psych ward is going to keep people for 3 or 4 days? Yeah, I know that, but that doesn't necessarily mean that just because you go and talk to somebody at Carroll Hospital that they hold you for 72 hours.
After Cimino apparently voices concern about the hospital, he comes outside with a flag in hand.
Looks like he has an American flag or something in his hands.
Coming to the door?
It's in this thing. Let's see if we can change the flag or something.
See something in that 1-2 window to the left of the door? I think Stoops is seeing movement over there. Yeah. That? Okay. It's like he might have a flag in his hand or something.
Later, he describes his time as a volunteer firefighter. The officer on the line can then be heard reassuring Cimino.
That was hours ago. You know, that somebody said that we're going to shoot the cops, but I disagree because you threw a nice flag out here that said you backed the blue. You volunteer with the fire department. I don't know anybody that has a flag that says back the blue or that volunteers. What's that? You got what? Right, so I don't know anybody that backs the blue and is a volunteer firefighter and is going to shoot a cop. So, like I said, I have all the respect for you, Jack.
Cimino then asks for a specific volunteer firefighter to be brought to the scene.
So, is there a way that I can repay this, the work and the volunteer hours that you put in and all the time as a volunteer firefighter? Is there a way that I can pay that forward back to you as an honorable person and keep true to my word and take you up to the hospital myself? You said Eddie Wook. You said you'd be willing to have Eddie Wook take you up to the hospital?
Eddie who?
The chief of Sykesville Fire Department. So if I can make this happen, Jack, we could work this together. If I can get Eddie up here, how will I get you to come out of the house and trust me that I will get you to Eddie? I'm not going to lie to you and just tell you, Eddie's here, and he's not, and you stay in the house. Like I said, I have no reason to lie to you. If I can get Eddie up here, are you willing to come out of the house and let me and Eddie take you up to the hospital? Okay. And you're willing to do that. So let me ask you this. You come out of the house, okay? Eddie gets here, you come out of the house, no guns in your hands, nothing like that. Hey Jack, this is Vince. I appreciate it if you pick up the phone. I just want to talk.
Can you guys hear that?
Like I said, Eddie's on his way here. If you just please pick up the phone and I talk with you, I really appreciate it. We were having a good conversation. Like I said, Eddie's on his way up here. Okay? I'm not lying to you. You've done nothing wrong. There's been no crime committed. Eddie's on his way up here, so please, just pick up the telephone and talk with me.
Vinny, where do you want him to go?
Go who? Eddie?
Yeah, when he gets here.
That's up to these guys here.
Lieutenant's asking.
Okay, that's up to these guys here.
He can be escorted up here behind a cat.
Later, Cimino references the 1998 movie The Negotiator, where actors Samuel L. Jackson and Kevin Spacey play expert hostage negotiators.
Denzel Washington? Why do you feel like Denzel Washington? Jack, why do you feel like Denzel Washington? Oh, I thought that was somebody else in that movie. Yeah, I think it was Samuel L. Jackson and yeah, it was him, and I can't remember what the other guy's name was. The negotiator that Samuel Jackson wanted to come in and talk to. You got a license to ride that thing? I do. Kevin Spacey. So, Kevin Spacey, that was the other guy's name. Yeah. So, why is it that, is that what you think this is? I said, is that what you think I am? Is Kevin Spacey? Is he asking for Chris Sabian? Or Chris Sabian? Yeah, that was the character's name. Yeah. Yeah, what did Samuel L. Jackson say? I want to talk to Chris Sabian. Okay. Well, I have your Chris Sabian on the way. And that is Eddie.
The standoff continues from late evening until the early morning hours, when first responders again try to convince Cimino to come outside unarmed.
Alright, he's out on the front porch now.
You alright? He's going. I'm sorry, I'm sitting next to this engine. I can barely hear you. Just come to me and we'll talk.
Hey, can you kill the engine for a second?
Say again? Okay. You need to get to a bathroom? Well, why don't you just take a seat then? Right there.
Alright, he's out on the steps. We're talking to him.
Okay. Okay. Awesome. Can you make it down the stairs? You all right? Okay. Okay. You're all right. That's fine. Can you make it down these stairs at all? Okay. Yes. Okay. Okay. All right. We can make something happen for you.
So you can come in here, wash me boots. I don't care.
Just come, walk down to us for a second, okay? We can take you back into the bathroom, buddy, all right? We'll get you back in there, I promise, all right? Can you just come down the steps? No.
Jesse, why'd you talk?
Well, that didn't work.
During this time, officials continue in an attempt to reassure Cimino.
Jack, we're all worried about you. Come back on the porch. Let's wait for us to talk to you. Jack, step out onto the porch so we can talk to you a little better.
Jack. What's wrong, bud?
Jack, step out onto the porch so we can hear you better. We can't help you if we can't hear you. Jack, step back up to the porch. We don't want to hurt you. We want to talk to you and help you.
But when Cimino refuses to drop his weapon, officials can be heard discussing other options.
Jack, we all care about you. We're all here. Let us help you. Jack, put the gun down. No one wants to hurt you. We're here to help you. Jack, I know you don't know me, but give me a chance to understand. Jack, put the gun down so that we can talk. We want to help you. Jack, put the gun down so that we can help. Jack, let's talk. Put the gun down so that we can help you. Nothing is impossible. Jack, no.
He comes out with that AR.
Yeah.
You may have
He's pointing the pistol right back at us again right now.
I don't know how long we're going to have to deal with that.
Jack, it's hard for me to talk to you when you're pointing the gun at me. Put the gun down so we can help you.
On separate body camera video, Cimino can be heard yelling at officers, saying he's armed with a loaded AR-15.
Hear what I said. I got ARs and I got 50 clips and they're all loaded. You better bring more than that motherfucker. Because I'm gonna flash motherfucker around you.
Jack. Jack, go back outside so we can talk to you.
When Cimino allegedly approaches the door armed again, Sergeant Jesse Hartsock opens fire.
Shots fired. Yep. He fell backwards into the house. Hey, bring Watson around, grab the bunker. Get the bot over here.
What was that?
Jack, put the gun down and come out of the house.
I don't know.
After this, officials plot their next steps.
Do you see him?
I think that's him right there. Yeah, that's right inside the door to the right.
Okay.
I saw a lot of blood on the floor right at the entrance.
You can't? Okay.
Yeah, I'm going to try to get up a little bit closer to see if I...
So it looks like he fell on the couch maybe?
Yep. Try to get it over there.
All right.
Yeah, all I see is the shoes.
Did he have shoes on though?
I
don't remember.
Well, sit down, pick up the phone.
So where's the... Yes, there's a door, so it should be just in that. Yeah, and that go up.
See the blood?
Yeah, and that go up.
Looks like it's not that way.
You see the gun laying there too?
I think so.
Yeah, that's his feet there. Okay.
See blood on that.
Yeah. Okay. Hey, Dave. Looks like he fell onto the couch. We can see his feet. There's blood on the floor, and I see the handgun, so I'm comfortable pushing up to check on him.
Troopers then approach Cimino's home.
Almost on this side. Yep.
I guess there's no way to get that door from down without going up on there.
Got a pipe hole. If it's open already, you could probably push it open. I don't know if it looks like it's already open.
Jack, we're calling.
Okay, let's go up. You two post on the left side there, on the hinge side. See if you can pop the door and get a look in with the bunker, okay? Because that's the direction there that we need to be looking.
Okay, he's got eyes on him. Get him.
You still got eyes, Roy?
Yeah.
All right, go ahead. Yep. Got blood at the door jamb there, so.
Jack, let me see your hands, brother. Jack, let me see your hands.
Video from another angle shows other first responders securing the scene.
Jack! It's just me and you, J-Dub. Stand by.
Yep.
Oh, man.
All right, these hands here, these hands.
Keep an eye on that attic. Watch your head.
Officials later determined Cimino had been shot. He died as a result of his injuries. Right now, the shooting is still under investigation, and later it will be up to the Carroll County State's Attorney's Office to determine whether Hartsock will face charges.
You cannot harass me. I am above the law. I am above the law, nigga. You cannot do nothing to me, okay? I am above the law. You're gonna have to kill me.
A home destroyed, lengthy crisis negotiations, and an officer-involved shooting. All that added up to a nearly 30-hour-long standoff before a North Carolina man with multiple personalities and end-of-times beliefs finally surrendered.
I
got cuffs, I got cuffs.
It all began on March 11th, 2023 in Charlotte, North Carolina. Just before 7 o'clock that morning, dispatch received a 911 call reporting a man making threats to kill his neighbors and police officers.
Charlotte 911, do you need police, fire, or medic?
I need police.
And what's going on that you'll need the police?
Well, my neighbor is threatening me, threatening to kill me, threatening to kill police. I have it on video. We're scared.
Okay, and when you say he's threatening you, is he doing it in person, on the phone? What
yes,
is he?
on the phone with a megaphone. He's out in front of his yard.
Minutes later, another 911 call came in with a similar report.
Charlotte 911, do you need police, fire, or medic?
I need police. I need to file a communicating threats report. I'm working with CMPD crisis response team, and our neighbor is threatening us currently, and the officer with crisis response told us to call 911 to file a police report.
Officers with the Charlotte-Mecklenburg Police Department arrived to a home on the city's southwest side. That's where they learned the suspect, and Ty, had barricaded himself inside. Police were familiar with Ty, though. In fact, they'd been to his home 45 times before, starting in September 2017. Body camera video shows officers approach the front door in an effort to take Ty into custody. There was an outstanding order for his arrest based on past incidents.
He's at the door yelling with a megaphone.
Ty can be heard in the video yelling into a megaphone from inside the house.
You are playing game. You are not the police. I am the president of the USA. You're talking Donald John Trump. You ain't you.
Come on outside.
Oh, Mom's at the door. Heads up. I thought she was. Why didn't she just open the door? I saw somebody's hand was at the door doing this. He always uses that window, though. I think his room is on this side, but he always uses that window.
Soon, Ty's mother comes to the door. She explains he's armed with at least one gun and bullets.
Good morning.
Hey, how you doing? Good. Ron has a warrant for his arrest.
I don't know because
I'm telling you,
we have to take him.
He has a warrant for his arrest.
yeah, but I go to the downtown to more time. The people don't take him go to the
We're taking
hospital.
him to jail today.
Yeah, because they don't take the go the anything.
Does he have any
not-
knives? Any knives?
No,
Guns?
He have gun. Six pill.
He has pills?
Six the gun have the six bullet. Yeah.
Revolver.
Yeah.
Where's
He
that
has
at?
that?
Yeah. Nobody take him. If the police come, him more crazy. Him more crazy. I can see this, I can. But I call police, the police come, no pick up him.
I'll broadcast that.
Okay.
Him chicken, but him talk the mouth. Him very chicken.
Okay. Where's the gun? In his
the room here, the center.
His room?
My house.
Who else is inside the house besides you?
Yes, because my room, my husband died. I come, my husband.
So who's here? Who is here? You?
Me and him.
That's it. Okay. Well, why don't we step back and we'll try to talk him out of the house without that revolver.
Him don't go out.
He doesn't go out?
But I want the bullet when him go out. They take him. Because the one day, no, him don't go here. He go.
Well, we're going to try to get out of his range in case he shoots. He can't see us to shoot. So let's step over here.
Because of a language barrier, officers speak with Ty's sister over the phone, confirming his mother said there was a weapon inside.
We're just trying to clarify with the language barrier for your mom, but we were trying to let her know that Ann has a order for his arrest to go to jail, so we're trying to peacefully get him out of the house.
Come outside.
But she's advising that he has what we can best tell is a revolver, a gun. I just want to confirm that he does have that with your mom. If you can ask her if he does have a gun.
Yes, of course.
All right, go ahead.
Inside. Charlotte Mecklenburg Police Department. We're outside. We're not going anywhere. We need you to step outside with your hands up.
Còn cái súng với 6 viên đạn mẹ lấy không được. Ở phòng đó, trong cái túi. Hay bà có nói đi mà cầm.
Yes.
So she said that he does have a revolver in his room somewhere.
Mr. Ty.
Okay.
This is the Charlotte Mecklenburg Police Department. We need you to come outside with your hands up.
Okay.
In your hands. We want this to end peacefully. We're
And
not going anywhere.
does he have bullets in the revolver? Is it loaded?
Yes, she said it's loaded.
2 warrants for Ty's arrest were then made, as was an involuntary commitment order. meaning once Ty was taken into custody, he would receive mental health treatment even if it was against his will. As Ty remained barricaded inside, officers broke down the front door. Body camera video was turned on just seconds before the door was broken down, which is why the first few seconds are without audio.
06-2539. Well, I will call you. I just need you to answer your phone. This is very important. Nobody is here to hurt you. We are only here to help. Your mother's worried about you. And we are here to make sure that you get the help you need.
Come on, hands up!
Hands
up!
Answer your phone.
Step out slow with your hands out. No, nothing in your hands.
Ty can be heard on the video threatening to hurt himself and shoot officers.
We do not want to hurt you.
It's to the right.
We want to get you some help, okay? We're not worried about you.
Like he's put that stuff at the top of the steps to barricade it. I think he's to the right. Negative.
He's saying he's got one way across here.
All right, go ahead, Troll.
Look, we're going to step back. We're not going to shut the door, but we're going to...
At the same time, officers outside began speaking with Ty via a megaphone.
And we want to make sure you're okay. We need you to come down to the front door with nothing in your hand.
This is the Charlotte-Mecklenburg Police Department. We know you're inside. We need you to come outside with your hands up through the front door. Nothing in your hands. We would like this to end peacefully. We are not going anywhere.
Ty responds using his megaphone, discussing religion and the government.
You cannot arrest me. I am above the law. I am above the law, nigga. You cannot do nothing to me, okay? I am above the law. You're gonna have to kill me. I believe in Lord Jesus Christ. Okay? And you're gonna have to kill me and all the heavenly angels and Jesus Christ if you want to arrest me. Okay? I got the heavenly angels and Satan and God and Buddha and Allah and Mary Magdalene. Nigga, the Virgin Mary living inside of me. You can't touch me. It's over.
About 3 hours into the standoff, first responders get Ty on the phone and begin negotiations.
You all want to kill me.
Nobody wants to kill you. I promise you that. I do not want to harm you, and no officer out here wants to hurt you. That I can promise you. Okay? But we're not leaving either. All right?
I'm not going to take me alive. No matter what you do, you have to kill me.
Nobody wants to harm you, and we don't want you to harm yourself, all right?
Broke my door, so I'm shooting. This is war, dude. You broke my door.
This is not war.
You break my door. You're gonna break my heart. You're gonna break my head. You're gonna break my neck. You're gonna break my hand. You're gonna break my everything I have. My dogs.
No. See, that's where you're wrong. We don't want to break anything of yours, okay? We want you to get help.
You just broke my door, man.
I spent an hour telling you that was going to happen. All you had to do was give me a call, and you chose not to, okay? I told you, I haven't lied to you one bit. Everything I've told you and said over that loudspeaker has been the truth. I haven't lied. I told you we would damage your mother's home if you didn't, right?
You want me to kill myself in front of everyone, right?
No, we do not want you to hurt yourself. Nope.
You don't want me to kill myself and leave.
I've told you the truth the whole time.
Dude, we can't live here no more.
The door can easily be fixed. Listen, I have faith that you can control that voice, okay?
Okay, then let me do it.
I have faith that you can, all right?
If not, I'm just going to shoot myself and get this voice out of my head and go to heaven.
No, don't let that voice win.
It's a vodka, but we Trump, okay?
Don't let the voice win.
Kind of anti-matrix also. I have no control over my mind, dude. I'm telling y'all, I'm under mind control, possessed.
You are stronger than that, okay? You can control this. You can do it. Listen, you can do it. You can do it, and we can help you. You control your own mind. Don't let those voices win.
At me, I told you I have taken over control of my own mind. Just let me calm down slowly. Please. I don't want to die.
I don't want you to die.
I don't want you to kill me and be all stressed out. We all gonna go home and enjoy our night anyway. So why work so hard? We all gonna go home at night and close the door and act like all this never happened. So why are we working so hard right now, trying to kill each other over some jealousy?
Brother, I don't want to hurt you. I don't want to hurt you, and I don't want you to hurt yourself.
I'm a Christian, dude.
I am too.
I'm not no anti-Christ, dude. I work for God. All right? You see me being a preacher? I'm out here saving souls, man. I'm doing God work, man. I'm not some motherfucker out here trying to kill the police, man. I'm trying to make you guys look good, okay?
Okay.
But now you're here trying to kill me?
No, that's not true, okay? Don't put those words in my mouth, and don't put that on me. That is not true. We are here to help you. That I can promise.
These phone negotiations last for multiple hours, where Ty discusses harming himself and later the goal of becoming president.
This conversation's gone a long way, and I can just tell by your voice that you're doing a lot better than when I first started talking to you.
Damn, waiting for him to die.
All right, brother, help me, man. I need help. Okay, I need some buy-in on your end. All right. No, I'm vested in you right now. Okay, listen. I know that we can do this together, and I know we can do this without anybody getting hurt. No, you're not. You are not a loser. That's the wrong mentality, dude. Like, that's the wrong. Don't you put that on my conscience. Don't you dare.
I don't want to meet no damn kid, man. You know how I'll be.
Pissed off for what?
Pissed off for what?
No, why would you be pissed off? I didn't hear that.
I said I would be so pissed off if I get to meet Jimmy or reach Trump. Like I wish.
Oh, so you want to meet them?
Yeah, because they're the voices inside of me.
Well, I've never met them, and I couldn't arrange that meeting either. I'm not gonna.
That's why I don't want to meet them. I just want to die, man.
King, I don't want you to kill yourself. Nobody out here. Nobody. No.
That's why I'm doing it, man.
King, we need you here. We need you here. Your dogs need you here. Your mom needs you here. And I'll be honest, like the officer you were talking to before, Officer Grant, don't put that on our conscience. You know?
Look, man, I know you work for the Heavenly Father, and you are the protector. All right, you're here to protect society from evil. I get it. I don't want to do none of this police stuff.
Okay, but King, I live in this neighborhood, man. I don't want to drive by your house every day and think about the decision that you made and that you're not here with us anymore. I want to think about you being out here, getting the help you deserve, being here for your dogs. That's what I want to say. You hear me?
I want to be the president.
I thought you didn't want to be the president.
At first, I do want to be a president, and then I get married and get inherited, and going through all this movie matrix and all this movie. And here I am. I give up.
All right. So if you want to be the president, the first step is coming out of that house. You can't be the president from in there.
Yes, I can. Yes, I can.
Well, a president that I need doesn't rule from his house.
That is true, because the White House is location. I get it.
I mean, that's where you may lay your head, but you're going to need to do your business out here. And doing your business out here is coming out here, listening to these officers.
And to me, people.
And I'm right here. I'm right here, King.
Bill, can you take clear? That's set. Yeah, that's set.
King, listen to me. King, why can't you just come out here and talk to me? We have an ambulance out here that can check you out for that. Yeah, but I would feel better if you came up here and we checked you out before that even happened. Hell, King, I'll ride to the hospital with you if you want.
I'm just afraid of losing everything I have in this house.
Well then, King, listen to what you just said. You're afraid of losing everything in your house. You're not going to lose anything in your house. To be honest with you, we don't have a necessity of coming in your house. If you come outside, we don't need to go in your house.
And you want me to be in the mental hospital, right? That's end game.
No, it's not the end game. It's a temporary situation. But King.
I'm good, bro. Let me just shoot myself in front of hell for the rest of my life and be in a mental hospital with a straight jacket. Okay?
So, King, let me ask you. You shoot yourself, that's permanent. Right?
Yep.
That's permanent.
Yep. But go to a mental hospital is temporary. Like
Exactly. Exactly.
Nope.
So you're smart enough to see that. You're smart enough to see that that's temporary. And then you'll be right back home with whatever you have there in the house. I don't need to come in your house. No, they're not. They don't do that anymore, King. They don't have the resources for that.
I don't even know Jim, man. I'm just doing everything. I don't even know you walkable dumb chump fuck. I'm just a monk with a mental hospital history, mental illness, who claiming to be the Antichrist God, which I'm done playing game. I don't want to be the Antichrist God.
Well then surrender that role, King. Surrender that role.
At one point, Ty admitted he had a gun and walked to the front door of the home with it in hand. That's when the full SWAT team was assembled, as were crisis negotiators.
Ready? Yeah. Yeah. Go. Go.
At this point, officials sent multiple drones inside the home and began removing the doors and windows to the house to get better access. At one point, Ty rushes from a room and attacks a drone, damaging it. You can see him walk from that room and smack the drone with a bat. Around the same time, first responders cut the power.
had hit all three. I hit the main one, and I just hit all of them just to be sure.
At about 9 p.m., Ty again approached officers with a weapon. One officer opened fire, but no one was injured. At first, though, Ty said he had been shot. That's when he called 911, saying his past body was dead and that he was now Lucifer. Police say he showed multiple personalities throughout the standoff.
Charlotte 911, do you need police, fire, or medic?
I saw the police shot a person because he was holding a gun and pointing at police. And the police shot him. He's dead. I need to make a police report.
Okay, well, where are you at so we can make that report?
I'm in heaven.
Oh, okay.
I'm a ghost. Yes, my name is Lucifer. I'm not real, all right? I'm in heaven.
Okay.
And I saw, I'm the messenger of God, all right? God, the Holy Bible. I swear by the name of Jesus Christ. I saw the police kill this idiot fool holding his gun, cocked back, pointing at them, knowing well there's a sniper across the street.
Throughout this all, first responders continued to make entry into the home, even going through back windows. During the night, officials broke down the doors to the garage, eventually pulling off most of that area of the home. In the same time frame, Ty continued to yell out to first responders using a megaphone.
I have to own America. I am an anarchist, I have no master, no government. I govern my own. I am an anarchist. I don't need government. This is why I don't come out. Because I am not a U.S. of A citizenship. I am an anarchist.
And first responders called back. More than 24 hours after the standoff began, Ty finally surrendered and was taken into custody. These moments were caught from multiple angles.
Keep walking towards the sound of my voice.
You switch up with walls, go ahead. Can we move? He's facing that way. Bang it out. Right, yes. Move. Move. I got cuffs. 40 millimeter needs to be ready. Decker, is he ready?
Keep walking towards the sound of my voice.
You switch up with walls, go ahead. Can we move? He's facing that way. Bang it out. Right, yes. Move. Move. I got cuffs.
I surrender.
94. Yeah, we got 94. It. We got it.
Yeah, you're in the same position, right? I surrender. Please don't shoot me. Yeah.
We don't need to help. No, we don't need to help.
I surrender, sir. You see me, sir, on my back, right?
All right, listen up, everybody.
Don't break all my jewelry, please. Don't break all my jewelry. I beg you.
We're going to hold the house.
Don't break all my jewelry. Please, give me stop. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I give up, okay?
All right, let's get a good frisk. Cut the bag off.
Yes, sir.
I'm up control things.
I know what I'm saying.
Already got one going. We're standing on that, so we're good.
I know you guys want to go to the hospital. I just feel like getting up. I'm not. I know how.
Yeah, we got him. Hang on, Matt. You want to? Hey, Matt, what's the stick to it?
I'm right here, dude.
Yes, dude.
I'm right here. Thank you for coming out. I'll call the hospital right now.
Phone in left hand. Dog in right. Wants to surrender. Walking out. Right. Alright, coming past the garage, phone in left hand, dog still in the right. verbal with him. He just keeps looking back at the house, phone in left hand, little doggy in the right. He's trying to walk through all this stuff in the front yard.
Left coat pocket looks heavy.
72. He's in custody. 72.
No, come on, you're good. Come on. Come on, sir, I got it. Come on to me. Just be careful. You're good. Come on. Come on. Yep, hey. Yep. I can't walk. Yeah, come on, you keep walking. You're good. Bring the dog with you. Come on.
Don't kill my dog.
Oh, we're not, brother. Come on. Come on, keep walking. Yep. You're good, bro. Come on, keep walking to me. Your dog's good. Come on.
I have no cancer, okay?
Okay, yep, he got you. Keep coming to us.
Don't shoot me.
We're not going to shoot you. You keep coming to us. You're doing good.
On my hand.
You're fine. Keep walking towards us. Keep your hands ready. You're good. You're good. We see your dog. See your phone. You're good, Andy. Keep walking towards us, brother. You're doing good. Keep walking towards us. Keep walking towards the sound of my voice.
During his arrest, a gun fell from Ty's pocket. But what may be more shocking is the absolute disaster left behind in the home. Body camera video captures the house that appears largely destroyed after the 30-hour standoff.
Right here, okay?
I turn my back to you. That means you can. Yeah.
Right here. Just let him check you out. Make sure
I know, bro.
Okay. Officer video then captures the moments after Ty is taken into custody.
You're good. You're good. I dropped my glasses.
They broke. They broke.
I know, but my
You
prescription.
got it. We got them.
Get my prescription. I leave.
We
Give me
got
my
them. We got
prescription
them.
glasses.
We got them.
Let me wear it. Let me wear it. I'm blind without my prescription.
You're good. You're good.
I need my prescription glasses.
You're good.
I'm blind, dude. I can't see without my prescription.
Right here.
Give me my prescription, dude. Just give me my prescription, please.
Listen. I want the one on the phone with you, okay? I got you. Yes, I'm mad.
Can you get? Can you get his? What's your name? In front of the
Prescription glasses. Where are they at? I lost it.
Okay. All right, I'm gonna
Let me wear that. Let me wear that.
Still clearing this. Yeah, we got it.
I told you, it's all boot trash.
Hey,
It probably is,
hey,
but we still
I
gotta
can't
check
have
it,
you.
man.
I can't have you.
Go ahead,
going to the
bro.
hospital.
Keep it safe while you at it.
I can't have you going to the hospital without checking you.
Okay,
That's
bro.
all we're doing, boy.
Just
Okay?
keep me my glasses.
I got you. Where are they at? Do you know?
It's off where I dropped it, my
Where you
prescription.
dropped them? Okay, I'll go get it.
Go get it, my prescription.
I'll go get it.
Thank you.
Stay cool with them, and I'm
I'm
going
cool,
to get
bro. I need bodyguards, okay? Not my guns everywhere. Get me the out of here. Hurry up, please. Can't trust none of y'all, all right? This dude trying to break my arm.
All right. Hold on a second. Thank you.
Dude, there's nothing in there beside my please. Keep my safe, dude. Don't steal my shit. Bring my one piece for all y'all.
Give me your glasses right here. You're good.
He's only got one shoe.
I got nothing, man. I'm just a idiot, bro. That happened to be a math genius, all right?
You want me to put your glasses back
And my
on?
prescription. This, all I need is my prescription.
Okay, it's right there.
What is that?
We're gonna go just a ring. What's up? You good? Yeah, look, turn around, man. Let's get your bag off, all right?
Yeah, turn my bag off. I know y'all gotta shoot, that's why I turn my bag. I'm not.
Oh, stop.
Stop. I'm right here. Stop. Okay. I'm gonna let that happen. Stop.
Yeah, he's got all kinds of jewelry.
Can I get my glasses?
You want these?
Yes.
Yeah, you want me to put them on?
Yes, and my prescription. All I need is prescription.
We're gonna go look for your prescription.
Once he's taken from the scene and appears to be in the hospital, Ty asks about the condition of his home and who's going to pay for it.
Do me a favor, you sit on this for me? We'll make sure that everything is okay.
Yeah, make sure nobody try to fight me here.
Well, we're not trying to do that, I promise.
No, the mentally ill patient.
Oh, okay.
So somebody over there watching my house, right?
I believe so.
And who's gonna clean it up, fix it up?
I have no information.
The Charlotte Mecklenburg Police or the city, right?
I have no information.
So are you just gonna leave it like that?
I have no information on that at this time.
Who take responsibility for fixing the house?
I have no information on that.
Or usually stuff like that. Who pay for the fixing of the house?
Make sure nothing on here.
Somebody just break everything in the house. The SWAT team. So we just let it sit like that, unlivable? Or just fix it? No? That's crazy. I lost my whole house. Just believe in the FBI. Never trust the FBI.
Ty was charged with multiple counts of communicating threats and violating a protective order, but those charges were dropped. He's still awaiting trial, though, for charges of assaulting a law enforcement officer with a firearm.
Hey, keep your hands up. Come on, man. Come on, man. This ain't worth it. Just let her go, man. This ain't worth it, man. This ain't worth it, bro. Come on. Come on, man. Come on. Back up now. Come on, man. Back up. This shit is not worth it.
No, over here. Over here. To the left. To the right.
Come on, bro. Come on. Relax. Come on.
Copy 20.
Come on, man.
Come on. Stand by.
Hey.
Push yourself. You got the perimeter. Hey, one thing up.
Let him go. You're going to get shot.
Moving west. Moving west.
Let him go.
Let's go.
Get on ground.
Get on ground.
Put your hands behind your back.
I got one on the ground here.
No! Move!
They're running down Reed with an AK. They got an AK. They're running down Reed.
I got it.
All right. You gotta hold this house still. Hey,
You ran that way with an AK.
you okay? Take over the next street over.
Hey, anybody else in the house?
Hands together like your friend. Hands together like your friend.
Was there any more guys in that house? How many were in there?
There was 3. Holding gun. There, Georgia and Clement. He's coming right towards you. He was right in the middle of that block. I haven't seen him cross that yet.
You gotta help me up.
He should be between them
I broke my arm.
He's walking towards Clement and Georgia in the middle of the block.
Against the car. You got anything in your pockets?
No. Yeah.
What you got on you?
That's the one. Part of the backyard between Neville and see what that cross street's up there.
Two ran that way with an AK.
You okay? Take over to the next street over.
Hey, anybody else in the house? They ran down the street. One's got an AK.
Tails on block, C-mask on there, holding guns. Don't have a long gun. Going north south. Last gun direction.
Dog in the way. Move. Are you hit? What happened?
The hostage has been released. We do want some task units in this area, though.
How old is he?
Oh. 709 in Georgia.
Yes.
They're all out.
Okay, we've got a K9 here at the scene. Hey, what
How
we
old is
want to do is let's keep a couple cruisers just at least running the book.
I'm fucked up.
15 services.
I'm fucked up, man.
One
It's sad.
Like a what?
Hey, I need a 32 over here for at 910 Ardella. We got a black male.
Like 1 to 10.
Bleeding from his face.
How
Need
bad
32
is
as
it?
fast as
1 to
possible.
10. Your face is all
It's
like.
a 10?
Ralph, just stop.
Copy, I'm on scene.
What?
He knocked my fucking tooth out.
Did you guys get him?
Got one of them. They're chasing the other two down now.
It was
I have a big ass lump on the back of my head. Did you even recognize any of them?
He's on scene right
I only seen one, to be honest. Like,
Do you live here?
yeah.
And they just come in your house?
No, we was going out to the car.
We were about to leave and they just pulled
Yeah, the
guns
one
on
that he
us.
ran up, it is in a silver Kia, like SUV, like. And he had the gun out, you feel me? He was, I was like, you feel me? No. He went in the middle of the street, it was out. Then the man, I was. I'm feeling it now.
Hey, what's your name, sir? Tell them to come on Reed and Ardella. Tell them to avoid Georgia. Avoid Georgia. Come all the way down to Reed and Ardella.
Okay, the patient's at Reed and Ardella.
Copy.
You got to track your phone. That's on. Look, go track your phone. If they took it, it's on. Bro, I can't feel my fucking face.
Can you walk at all?
Yeah, if you help me up, I can't. Like, just drag on my arm. Oh,
I got you.
hold on. I don't want you to get my blood.
That's the least of our worries right now, man. Come on. We're going to just get you over here to this cruiser. You want to sit down in the cruiser, or you want to just? I can sit you in the back in the trunk area, so you can lean against something. No, it's this gentleman right here.
Okay. Has he been shot?
No, he's not been shot. Yeah, you got to go back that way.
Who shot me? Y'all didn't shoot?
No. Here, you can pop a squat right here if you want. I got one over here in the car.
Can I go there?
No, you got to go back the other way. Say what now?
Tell my girl to come here. Tell my girl to come here.
I got you. Where did she? Right in car one. Hey, ma'am. You gotta go back. We gotta go back. We gotta go back. It's in my truck. Hey, ma'am, come over here. Come over here.
They mean Neville. They're all over on Neville. This is 1111 Georgia. No one's over here. They're next street over.
They're in the house or they're hunkered down?
They're hunkered down in here somewhere.
K9 working, head out that way. He's on scene right now.
There's a shed back there though. In this house?
headed? He said 1111. Right, yeah, this right here. I don't know if you want that side or this side. North, south? That way is north. Yeah, he was going north.
Yeah, he was heading that way.
Cap, what side of the road was he last seen on Georgia? North or south? He ran into the backyard, that driveway at 1111, which I believe is the north side. Two of them, the one with the hostage holder and another one with the pistol.
You want me to stand behind this garage first?
If you want to try and pick him up, we'll cover this.
Okay.
Now.
What you want? Want me to come with you? I don't think they can get. Yeah, you guys want to have a look over here? Do we want to,
Did you see someone run behind your house with guns?
I didn't see anything. I saw a flash go past my window a little bit before I saw you guys.
Do you have cameras in the back?
What's that?
Do you have a camera in the back?
No, I don't.
Okay. All right, just stay inside.
There's in that yard in back of my yard on the other side of the fence. That might be a place to look.
The other side of your fence?
Yeah.
What's the address?
I don't know what that is, but there's
that
a
way
bunch
it's
of
17.
junk back.
He wants this.
Oh, that's
okay.
12.
On the other
Okay.
side of the fence, yeah.
Okay.
There's a place behind that garage on that side.
Okay.
It's got a little slot too.
Okay. Is there a way to get into your garage?
No.
Okay.
That door don't open.
Okay.
Here, guys. Get on. This way. Here. Just. Here. Get on. Check. Nice. Okay, here. Fuß. Just Fuß. Fuß. Come on. Check that here. Check that here first, then we'll hold it. Let's
Right here.
We'll go check.
73, what's your 31?
He checked behind.
He checked behind me.
Somebody look up priors that's in the call for 1111 Georgia.
101.
Hey, it's definitely there.
All right, hold on. Hold that. Don't move now! Hands up! Hands up! Get out. Driver, get out. Get out.
Right here! You got someone in the back! Watch the back!
Watch the back! Don't move! Don't move! One in the back!
One in the back!
Here.
Don't you move your hands! Don't move your hands!
Stop clicking your arm.
Give me your other hand right now, mother. Yeah, dude. God. He jacked her.
Yeah. Where did they go?
He jacked her.
When?
Just right now. I pulled that gun out. He jacked her. She pulled in. They jacked her.
There's two. You got two.
I saw her pull in. They jacked her.
Anybody else out? These are the two. That's it.
Yeah.
Where did they come from?
This 1101. She pulled in the driveway. They jacked her, and she tried to pull out. Huh?
In that housekeeping, 1101. They got it?
They jacked this victim.
Let's separate.
This lady, yeah, this lady's separate.
Is there a plate on that?
Good search.
Hey, I pulled that out. Let's just leave that there.
Sit up.
Female. I don't know.
Stand up.
Maybe.
How should be on that?
Cell phone.
They ran over there. They put in the driveway. They carjacked them. Whoa. There's another pistol right there too.
Alright, we need a wagon for him or a cruiser for him.
Walk over here.
You go to Channel 5. Car 15, go to 5.
Know what you did?
Hold on, dude. Whole car's over there. You got 2 dogs. Who's in 21?
Clock more than 21.
I see the police on the back. I thought,
Spread your legs out, man. It's 2 seconds from getting popped in the hell. I'm tight there right now. Oh, it was 2 seconds. I looked right in the eye. Got anything else in there? Shoe off on me, man. Alright, pop in there.
So you like 3?
There's 3. Should be 3, but I think they got the one already.
Yeah, somebody's saying they have the other one.
These two are the one I was chasing over here.
So there's an apprehension, 2 victims and 3 suspects.
Yeah, there was a victim that was beat up or something inside.
The apprehensions, you know where that cruiser is straight through?
where they at? Right down here?
They were 2 streets over. But they were running this way, so when we saw you outside, we didn't know if
I see them in the backyard.
yeah, you can see it.
Oh, Lord.
So we didn't know if they had you.
And my dog didn't bark.
That's all we were worried about.
Gotta get a new dog then.
Yes.
You gotta get a new dog.
No, she ain't gonna bark at the police.
No, I'm saying,
The people
in the backyard.
Yeah. Well, they were.
She
Yeah.
ain't gonna bark at the police though. She not. She's a good dog, y'all. We from Alabama. I'm telling you, she's a good dog. She shake your hand.
She looks good.
Look, if you fall, she'll help you up. Hey, every kid on this neighborhood, they come, they ask for holidays.
Yeah.
For real, baby, she's real good. This is how you raise them. And
Right.
that's how these kids been raised.
Got you myself.
These kids ain't been raised right.
That's true.
For real.
You're right about that.
I mean, I didn't even go out the house. My parents, live here. I've been in Alabama for 15 years. And I used to do all kind of trouble. You can look at my background. But today, 20 years, I've been away righteously. Dang.
Yeah.
If the kids home down there, my little nephews, I'm probably scared. It ain't 2:30 yet, is it?
It's 4 minutes till 2:30.
Oh, the kids, great. All the kids coming home.
So, yep.
They're probably not coming home for a little bit until we clear all this up.
Yeah, they got to make sure they got everybody, and then they'll open it up.
Another 32 for officer with an arm injury.
I know my neighbor, like, I hear him see something on my cameras. He at work up here on Thursday.
So that's all that was going on. Now they're just checking to make sure they didn't throw anything in your backyard.
We have them again en route to Ardella in Georgia. You just need 1 or 2.
I'm a nosy neighbor, sorry.
Hey, this is your neighborhood. You should be.
But look, next time I ain't running to look for no trouble. That's kind of
That's right.
Once you see them.
All right, you have a good day.
Did you get him, boss?
Yeah. Hey, look, you know what? You try to pull away.
I heard you guys yelling.
73. Go ahead.
I never got my
Do you need the channel held for anything?
Oh, so you don't get the watch?
Negative. I think we can open up the channel. Great job, everybody. Fantastic.
So, did you see them drive by?
No, I didn't say it. Yeah, she was pointing at you.
So, he's got his hand out the window and it's going like this, like pointing to his house.
Yeah.
No, he's pointing in the back seat.
Yeah, they went to go.
So one was all the way in the back, and then, so the one when they pulled out of the back seat, they tried to take off. Safe, I landed on Domer's arm though.
Oh.
And then pulled back in.
Did they come in your house and then make you guys, like they barged in, like in the side door? That's what I thought. The stuff is,
It was unlocked. All they had to do was open the door.
just so I can show crime scene when they get here. I noticed a few things that probably are off, but We'll get you in here though.
I'll put this with the rest of your property outside the door here. You'll be back, okay?
Here, you want to slide your shoes on before we go? Or
Yeah, he can take everything. Yeah. Other than, I don't know if you want that bird freaking killed.
you want to slide these on before we go?
I wouldn't put that on.
I'll let you do it. I'll let you do it.
Yeah. That'll be good.
So we're gonna take that off you. When we take it off you, stand up, face that corner. Just put your hands behind your back. All right.
Bring this hand, relax it for a second.
Go ahead. Nothing go.
Yeah, I got you.
You'll lock them for me so I don't get no tight. This left one's kind of tight. I appreciate it.
What's your name, man?
Ricky.
Ricky.
You better? Mm-hmm.
I guess they're gonna put him on the gurney, so you guys can handcuff him to the gurney and AMR is gonna transport him down.
Okay.
So,
You do that one for a little bit?
Like,
Just a little bit.
one of you wants to ride in the med wagon with them, and he's on. Shouldn't take long, hopefully. Oh, okay, that's fine. Whatever you guys. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you can get no issue. I'm just trying to get to the hospital, get to the
That's where he got bit, so get the other arm. That's where he got bit.
I got you good.
Yeah, just.
Over here, have a seat. You're gonna scoot all the way back here. Yep. Just like that.
Cover me.
Yeah, we can.
Take a lot.
Okay.
You locked them, right? Yep. I appreciate it. I just want to get on to the jail.
You guys coming down the general or?
Yeah, we're right next to you.
Okay.
Just say goodnight, guys.
Thanks, sir. Set that up all the way.
No, it's just because it's tight fit in the elevator.
Stay with that.
I don't know if they're all the same size or not.
They are.
Well, you think we're on the back and do the prisoner one there? Is that bigger?
I don't think it's much bigger.
Alright, we'll make it work.
What are they talking?
I don't know. We're just here to take you to the hospital.
Oh, thank you. Alright. Kind of a tight fit. Watch those feet. There you go. Everybody in?
Alright, I'll catch you next one.
Dispatch, my test to be in service with code 1. Are we up for any runs or do you need help on?
Nice. That's cool.
Yeah.
Is that perfect?
Appreciate it.
No, we're all the same.
Okay, because this is, like, I don't know if I'm
Because
catching
you
all
run it
my
through
rate.
your outer carrier.
I just run it around back, but yeah, that's exactly it. So I'll stop up next week.
Okay. All right. Good. How's it going with you guys? All right. You be safe out there.
Yes, ma'am. We're in 12 tonight, so we'll drive by. Yep. No, we're good.
Rain should be here early in the morning.
Okay. I mean, I'm not here till 2:30, so.
Oh, okay. So I don't like it because you guys aren't in the building.
Yeah, I know. I'll stop up whenever I get a chance sometime. He got bit by Justice.
No.
Yeah, he got bit by Edsel. Dog, so. He's going. He's making sure that happens. So. All right, up the stairs. Watch all the stuff here. Go to the right. Yeah. We're gonna go through these double doors.
My bad, man.
To the right. We're gonna take this elevator up. Alright. Right here. I'm gonna take this one up. Out to the right. No. Make a right. Pull back. Make a left. You should know where we're at now.
Thank you.
We could go ahead and take your shoes back off now. Let me talk to the detectives and. Yeah. All right, let's get that taken care of. Okay, thank you. Just hop back up real quick. Okay. All right. Here we go.
Go ahead. The reference is Sylvan call to the 43. You come down to City Hospital. Check on the female.
Just turn this way a little bit for me.
Copy. Still 206.
Everybody still waiting on the tape?
Yeah, I guess so.
It's cool.
How's it?
Just one click loose.
Okay.
So this one better turn it where it ain't on my wrist. Alright. That's too much. You ain't gotta worry about it.
There you go.
That's cool.
That's better.
Just take some. You got the show in a roast, man.
Alright, man.
Alright, take care, man.
At around 8:20 a.m., Central Patrol officers responded to an attempt suicide radio call at a residence in the 100 block of West 5th Street. While driving to the residence, the officers received an additional call for a Los Angeles Fire Department backup request at the same location. Here is the call and corresponding radio broadcast for this incident.
Central Unit, ambulance attempt suicide, West 5th Street, apartment C, code 2 incident 1069, NRD 154.
Central units 1X95, 1X95, any in the vicinity, and 1X95, 1X95, FDs requesting backup, West 5th Street, belligerent patient, 5th floor hallway, it's code 3 incident 1069, NRD 154.
When officers arrived, they attempted to communicate with the suspect from a distance to de-escalate the situation and encourage the suspect to step out of the residence to be treated. The suspect, however, refused to cooperate with the officers, barricaded himself inside the apartment, and pointed a handgun in their direction. That suspect was identified as LaRon Howard James. Here is body-worn video from the officers involved in this incident.
Yeah, they usually call him.
Hey, Laurent. What's his name? What? Ron?
Yeah, Laurent.
Laurent. Hey, Laurent. Can we see both your hands?
My hand's right here.
I see a right hand. We just want to help you, man. No one's in trouble. Nobody's in trouble. Just put everything down and come out here so we can talk.
Okay.
Come on, Laurent, just come out here. Leave everything on the ground. Let's talk. Who's that?
There ain't nobody here for you, man.
Who's that? A plant.
Do you have any weapons in there? No.
Not a trick question. You got any guns in there or not? Or you don't know?
Huh?
You know what the hell you have in your apartment?
Do you have guns in your apartment? Yes or no?
I don't have a gun in my apartment.
You have knives in there, right?
Yeah, a couple knives. Huh?
Hey, shoot, sir! Sir! Sir!
Fuck, you got a gun?
Yeah. Back up. Disengage.
Sir! Sir!
Fuck, you got a gun?
Yeah. Back up. Disengage.
even cause serious bodily injury. Maybe even worse. You need to give up now. This is the last warning. They're telling me I cannot help you anymore. Okay, Laurent, you're doing really good. Come on back slowly. Walk slowly towards the front door of the hallway. Walk backwards. Laurent, it's only going to get worse.
After that, let's see vapor.
It's going to get worse,
Roger,
Laurent.
let's see vapor going in. We have to do that. We're going to right.
You have to walk towards the hallway. It's only going to get worse. Walk backwards, Laurent. I know it hurts. That window is not going to help you. You have to come to the hallway. There's nothing in the hallway. Make your way to the hallway slowly. You can do it, Laurent. Once you get to the hallway, I'll be right there to help you. Come out to the hallway. Slowly walk backwards, Laurent. Not the window. You can do it. Just do it slowly and focus. Walk backwards towards the hallway. Not the window, Laurent.
The window, and he's trying to get his head out farther out. Both hands are clear. I don't see him anymore. I can just see his head. Sierra 3, looks like he's trying to climb out the window. Oh. Sierra 3, he is trying to climb out the window and one leg on the ledge. Sierra 3 shot away. The suspect is down, just inside the window.
Hello.
Sure, Jameson, I'm going to SWAT call out.
Okay, sir, this Podiola, could you do an 85 and a 55?
I was going.
Going where?
Call out.
Where we going?
SWAT call out right over here.
I didn't know we had one.
We have an armed guy barricaded in the house. He used to be a police officer. And
where at?
Right down here on.
Here in Lexington?
Yeah.
We have an armed person, but we don't know about it. Okay, I'll call our chief and let him know. 301 next. According to the Cleveland County Sheriff, we have a hostage situation at that location.
Captain Tom? Captain Hawk?
Yeah.
Where's Canary?
Excuse me, sir.
What's going on here? We realize that I'd like to know what's going on in my own city. We would have notified you, sir. We would have? Yeah. Well, hold on. I've been at the city. I've been down there at the PD all day. According to the call, it says Lexington was notified. They refused to respond according to our call.
Sit down here, guys.
Okay, I don't know who the said that. First of all, sir, I know you're the chief. I'm just telling you what the call says. I don't appreciate all of this going on and nobody notified me thing about it. Okay. Okay.
I'm sorry, what's your name?
If you want, later.
Sir.
He's a lieutenant.
I am too. You're not going to talk about chief like that, sir. That's not going to happen.
You can get the out of my face. I don't give a who you are. Okay? This is my county, too.
Back up, man. Back up. No, you don't.
According to the call,
you need to stop.
Lexington PD was not.
Chill out, back up, everything's going to be okay. But you need to back up.
I get it that you're chief.
You can back up. Negative.
But this right here ain't what
We're not going to be disrespectful here.
Okay.
Sheriff, you need to back up out of my face, sir.
You have no authority.
You're not going to tell me what to do, my. You're not going to get in my sheriff's face, just like you told me.
Your hands off me, man.
Back up, John.
Pull him back.
No, he
He's
just
in the
came up
sheriff's
to my face and
face.
said the same
Go to jail.
Stop.
He's getting ready to go to jail.
Stop.
Both of you need to back off. This is our operation. This is our county. Understand?
Oh, yeah. Perfectly clear.
Go 10-8.
Perfectly clear. Come on.
Just run that.
I want that lieutenant's name so I can put his hands on me. Good thing that was recorded.
Hey, we all got guns in the technical world. I got a gun in the simulation.
Yeah, I'll explain that to them. Obviously, we know that.
It's a private property. You're fired. Get the off it.
Yeah, just a little. Yeah, we can be hopeful.
It's a rock show. You get the message?
All right, now she's throwing rocks at me. Oh, I'm not. I'm actually walking off her property and she's throwing rocks at me.
Rolling 6, 10 12 times 2 at Front Street.
What's that?
12 2 to 475.
You need to stop.
I didn't get stopped sexually abused. This is
sexually abuse, sexual harassment. I want to have the whole neighborhood.
At what point can I take her to jail for this?
I don't want any of you to exist anymore. Get off.
I'm at the advanced motor body store in St. Carlos, hiding in the wooded area behind the store. So I don't know if you want to go to the opposite side, like EB, closer to Sanibel, this way if they run out that way. 10 for him, about rolling 97 now.
And she's actually throwing bricks.
Headquarters control 1114. So.
Yep. I agree. She's insane. Make sure that fucking sign didn't damage the car. Since I actually hit the car. Oh, it doesn't look like it did. If I didn't move the car, I'd be hit with a cinder block.
Shots fired! Shots fired! Shots fired!
Newly released body camera footage shows the tense moments after a car chase, an hours-long standoff, and an officer-involved shooting in Oklahoma.
Dagan, come on, man. You can do this. Come out peacefully.
It happened on October 18th in Oklahoma City. Officials there say just after 2 o'clock in the morning, police zeroed in on a drive-by shooting suspect. Officers followed in a squad car but lost sight of the suspect. A short time later, they found him at an apartment complex.
On the ground.
The suspect, now identified as 20-year-old Dagan Oliver, hid in front of a van as officers called out to him. He refused to come out and allegedly began firing shots.
Come out to me. It's fired. Shots fired.
Oliver then ran off and fired shots at another officer who had just arrived on the scene. Investigators say he was armed with a handgun and rifle at the time. He stashed the rifle in front of a parked vehicle, but used the handgun to continue shooting.
Shots fired. Shots fired. Shots fired.
Police say Oliver barricaded himself inside an apartment building and fired multiple shots at officers who worked to secure the situation.
Dagan, come on, man. You can do this. Come out peacefully.
Responding officers worked for hours to convince Oliver to leave the apartment.
Hands up. Come on, Dagan. It's gonna be okay. Okay, it's gonna be okay, okay? Keep coming to me. Just keep coming, Dagan. Keep coming. It's alright. You're gonna be alright. It's gonna be okay. I promise, Dagan. I promise you.
Oliver was booked into the Oklahoma County Detention Center on multiple counts, including shooting with intent to kill. The officer involved in the shooting, Keegan Burris, was placed on administrative leave as the investigation continues. For the latest developments in this story and all things true crime.
He's sitting Indian style.
Oh, he's got a knife.
Yeah, flashlight.
Flashlight. Hold on, boys. Yep. Right here, stop. Stop.
Deputy, we want to get you out of there. Stand up. Show us your hands. We want to get you out of there.
Level. Nicky, pull up a few feet.
Level.
Pull up.
Let's Just let the smoke clear. I can't see anything. Is she on the SWAT channel?
Nikki, back up a few feet.
We can help you out. Come on, buddy. We got a dog over here. We want to get you down from there. Let us get that house at least.
Well, you gotta go back. Nikki, we lost visual. Back up.
Come to the port. You got any weapons on you?
Nikki, keep going back. You can't breathe.
I want to help you down. Show me your hands.
Why can't I just let that thing flick?
He said, let's do it. Come on. Do it? Yeah. I can't see him though. No, but like, just in case that if they're going to go hands on, he's going to fight. Hey guys, just be advised. He said, let's do it. So he may fight. Hey, listen to me. I need you to put your hands up above your head.
Ask him if we bring a ladder, will come to us.
I have no idea. Hey, do you want our help? Do you want us to come get you?
Dempsey.
Dempsey!
Get the brakes. Get down.
He's ready, man. He just wants to fight.
He's reaching in his pants.
Lower the deck. Lower the deck. I can't see him. Yep. You keep over low. Make it land.
Just hold cover, hold cover. Doc, come here, Barry. Barry, come to me.
Was not shot?
No, he's not. He's good.
Take this all off. He's got airway. Open your mouth. Are you having trouble breathing?
One of us will cut it off. We got everything. What's that? Joe behind.
Thank you.
Pardon that Joe behind. I know. I don't think he's going to pardon you after this. He shot one of my deputies. He shot me first. Okay. Let these guys work on you.
Make sure we have all our tools, all our equipment.
Yes, sir. Is Laro?
Yeah.
That's your first name.
Yeah.
What's his first name?
Tu nombre?
Humberto's is okay. All right. So have you gotten in trouble for driving without a license before? Like you've been driving for a while, yes?
Yeah.
And you know that you shouldn't be driving. Anything on the other guys?
No, I don't know how I feel about front passenger. So yeah, the first time he did like RB Ventura Pisces or whatever, and I couldn't understand what he wrote because
scratched it.
Well, no, before he scratched it, it didn't look like the correct word. I spelled it wrong.
Tango, O as in Oscar, L as in Lima, O as in Oscar, N as in November.
November?
October.
October?
Oh yeah, no, it's RV Bartolo Ventura.
Okay. And his date of birth, can you confirm with him, is October 4th, 1993?
Yes, correct.
Febrero.
What is it?
Febrero. Es febrero, le dije.
nombre, señor? ¿Febrero?
Sí, es que yo le dije febrero y usted me dijo que está poniendo octubre.
Okay, so he said it is February the 4th, 1993.
Okay, so where did he get October from?
¿Y por qué dijo octubre?
No, yo no le dije octubre, le dije febrero.
No, not really. I said February the 4th.
And I'm not sure why he's laughing. There's nothing funny right now.
No sé por qué se está riendo, no hay nada.
No, no, disculpe, pero no, la verdad es febrero. Yo le dije febrero, no dije octubre.
I'm sorry, but I really said February. I didn't say October.
Sí, es que lo apunté en el primer papel también.
Okay.
Sí.
Well, we're going to go ahead and contact ICE real quick and just make sure you're not wanted by them. You giving me 2 different date of births is making me suspicious. Can you let him know that, please? All right, he gave me the October, and then he said it was February. So.
Well, I heard what he told her. He definitely said October.
Yeah, that's what. Then he's saying no, he didn't. So I'm gonna do a roadside ICE inquiry on him, real quick, because when I mentioned ICE, he all of a sudden got like super weird. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. All right, so you're being arrested. You're being arrested, okay? For no driver's license. Okay. It's okay. Can't be doing that, man. And you've been warned about it before. Delta 14 something.
Okay.
You going? Yep. Both new?
Yeah, and he's got a warrant.
Yep, you get it. Yep, you got a pair?
Pull your arm, Frank.
This one's still what?
Let's just confirm it, but 34.
Really?
Look at 213, 214, status check. Copy.
So you didn't have any ID? You forgot?
Yeah, mío.
So, Bartolome Velasquez, not Ventura.
Oh, es
4292, not 93.
Show us your hands! Show us your hands!
You got her?
Come out with your hands up!
Alright.
Hands!
Two people. Do not move. Stand up and walk out here now. Get on your feet and move.
Leave the child alone.
An Alabama woman is behind bars after live streaming a SWAT team's takedown of her own arrest.
Get on your feet and walk out here now.
Might as well shoot me.
Hey, all right.
Only God's the
Walk
judge.
out.
Turn around.
I will. He's the only.
Okay.
Do not treat him like that.
Somebody get her.
Please don't.
You're
I just
good.
had my book
Come
in
on.
my hand,
You're
my
good.
Bible.
You're good.
That's it.
The live stream was captured by 36-year-old Auburn Moore, who streamed the entire SWAT standoff on her Facebook page.
Please, Lord, be with us. Allah Akbar. We're in Decatur. And if they had a search warrant, they would knock on the door. They wouldn't surround the house like that. In the name of God, we pray. We're in at Molden Street in Decatur, Alabama.
Authorities say she was wanted in connection to a murder and kidnapping investigation. Officials with the Lawrence County Sheriff's Office say Moore and another man, 35-year-old Jordan Hernandez, broke into a couple's home on November 4th with the intent to commit a robbery. Police say during the alleged home invasion, the home's occupant, Dustin Grimes, was shot and killed in his bedroom, trying to protect his wife. After Grimes was shot dead, the two continued to steal from the home and kidnapped Grimes' wife. She was able to escape after the suspects forced her to withdraw money from a local ATM, running to a nearby convenience store to call for authorities. The victim identified two of the suspects, which were allegedly Jordan Hernandez and Auburn Moore. Police say after the alleged crime spree, Hernandez was considered on the loose, armed and dangerous. Meanwhile, for Moore, she pretty much hid in plain sight, turning to social media to give her own sermon.
We know everything is real, right? God is so real. This is chapter 37, the ranks. In the name of God, the most gracious, the most merciful, by those angels who ranged themselves in close ranks, and those who drive away the wicked with reproof, and by the reciters of the reminder, your God is one, Lord of the heavens and the earth, and everything between them, Lord of the east. We have adored the lowest heaven with the beauty of the planets and guarded it against all rebellious devils. They cannot overhear the higher assembly, for they are peddled from every side, driven away, and will suffer eternal punishment. But if anyone does succeed in snatching a glimpse of such knowledge, he shall be pursued by a piercing flame.
The same night Auburn Moore is alleged to be an accomplice in a kidnapping and murder, she posted more than a half-an-hour live stream on her Facebook page, preaching to her followers her own takes of the gospel.
Will we be brought back to life again? Yes. Along with our forefathers? Yes. Say, yes indeed, and you will be brought low. There will be but a single blast, and then their eyes will open. They will say, woe to us. This is the day of reckoning. It will be said, this is the day of judgment which you have been denying. But we shall say, assemble those who did wrong together with their associates and with what they worshipped besides God, and lead them to the path of the fire, and stop them there for questioning. But what is the matter with you that you cannot help one another? Indeed, on that day, they will surrender themselves. They will turn upon one another. Now ask them whether your Lord has daughters, whereas they have sons. Did we create the angels females, to which they were witnesses? No, indeed. It is one of their fabrications when they say God has begotten children. They are truly liars. Has he chosen daughters over sons? What is the matter with you? How do you form your judgment? Will you not then reflect? Or have you clear evidence? Then produce your scriptures if you are telling the truth. They claim that he has kinship with the jinn. Yet the jinn themselves know that they will be produced before him for judgment. God is far above what they attribute to him, but not so the true servants of God. Neither you nor what you worship can lure away from God. Our provision for you will never be exalted, but the arrogant will have the worst return. They will burn in hell, an evil resting place. All this will be theirs. Let them taste it, a scalding, dark, foul fluid, and other such torments. And they will say to one another, do you see this crowd of people rushing headlong to join you? No welcome to them. Indeed, they are headed for the fire.
Then from righteousness to having her home surrounded. Once authorities learned Moore was at a home in Decatur, Alabama, the SWAT team with the Morgan County Sheriff's Office assisted Lawrence County investigators to arrest their suspect. While SWAT surrounds the home, Moore decides to keep the cameras rolling and live stream to her Facebook followers.
If something happens, they said they have a search warrant for someone, but they surrounded the house. No knock, no nothing.
Authorities demand Moore exit the home with her hands up. Instead, she doesn't budge and continues speaking to her viewers.
We're live, standing right by the door, so whatever happens is on video. They say they have a search warrant for someone, But this isn't how they do it. They're saying simply open the front door. But if they had a search warrant, they would knock on the door, right? Right? But if they had a search warrant, they would knock on the door, right? Right. Just pray. Everyone just pray. This is Decatur police. Allah Akbar, please, Lord, be with us. It's just me and a little kid here right now. Please, Lord, be with us. Allah Akbar. We're in Decatur. And if they had a search warrant, they would knock on the door. They wouldn't surround the house like that. In the name of God, we pray. We're in at Molden Street in Decatur, Alabama. Please, Lord. In the name of God, the most gracious, the most merciful, please, Lord, strengthen me with your Holy Spirit. Be with us. For you know you are the one and true judge. In the name of God, the most gracious, the most merciful, please, Lord, come. Please, Lord, come. Please, Lord, come. I'm in Decatur, Alabama, in the United States. Please, Lord, come. Please, Lord, come. Please, Lord.
A SWAT operator can be heard over loudspeakers stating the home is surrounded and they are executing an arrest warrant. SWAT demands for Moore to open the door, but instead she turns to the Lord asking for help.
Please, in the name of God, the most gracious, the most merciful, please, Lord. There's children in here. Please, Lord. They say they have a warrant, but they're outside. And nobody's knocked on their door or anything. They say they have a search warrant, but they haven't even knocked on the door. I have a child in here with me, and he's scared to death. We haven't done anything, and Jordan's not in here.
Despite the SWAT team's continued warnings, Moore, while still lying on the couch, refuses to budge. Then goes on another bizarre and odd ramble, stating a Mexican cartel works inside the system.
Dear Lord, grant me an honorable entrance and an honorable exit. Sustain me with your power, dear Lord. For you know my heart. For you know this nation. It's all illustrated. They want to say that we're the enemies. They made it like that. They made this. They made this. Then they put us in poverty. They don't even care for our people. They killed a whole nation and tried to wipe us up underneath. There's real shit going on in the world that they orchestrate because their hands are tied. They only can do so much. My dogs are still missing. They didn't care about my children. Sinaloa cartel is real, and they work inside systems. They made it appear crooked. And that's how we're supposed to help us. And yet it killed a lot of us. Of course. Everybody's under their radar. Our jails were supposed to help us with resources, enlighten people. They call this the Bible Belt. Said they throw us in there, they kill us. Then they feed us even more.
Show us your hand! Show us your hand!
SWAT members are no longer patient with Moore as they go in to arrest their suspect.
Show us your hand! Show us your hand! You got her?
Come out with your hands up!
Hand is north. All right. Hands!
Two people.
Do not move fast. Keep your hands up.
Walk toward the front door.
With the record button still on, Moore's Facebook viewers are witnesses to the entire SWAT takedown.
Walk toward the front door.
He's a child.
Move.
He's a child.
Stand up and walk out here now. Get on your feet and move.
Leave the child alone.
Get on your feet and walk out here now.
Might as well shoot me.
Hey, all right.
Only God's the
Walk
judge.
out.
Turn around.
I will. He's the only.
Okay. You
Do not treat him like that.
Somebody get her.
Please don't.
You're
I just
good.
had my book
Come
in
on.
my hand,
You're
my
good.
Bible.
You're good.
That's it.
Moore was arrested on November 5th. She faces charges of murder, kidnapping, and robbery. Meanwhile, according to the Lawrence County Sheriff's Office, Moore's alleged accomplice, Jordan Hernandez, went on the run. Authorities say Hernandez took police on a high-speed chase where he allegedly fired multiple shots at officers during the pursuit, but eventually was apprehended by law enforcement later that evening.